His name is John C.
Look at this team. We're gonna do great.
Rhyming on the desk, cattail swipes, almost hits reset. First tap, shatter, shy hello. 10 welcome ins make the courage grow. Little panic when the ball swings wide. We wipe once, then we rewrite the fight. Win or lose, we clip and hike. Turn our bloopers into shining lights. We're queuing up in long sloppy. Laugh it off when the rain's sloppy. Hearty full tabs into scary we spend all night. Level up in a cozy corner. Side by side it just feels warmer. Pixel hearts in the overlay. Everything's alright. With Lauren and her crew on the grind. Day's been rough, drop in, breathe out. Your name pops up, the whole chat shouts. I see you, you're not alone on small screen, but it feels like home. We're queuing up in long sloppy. Laughing off
Hi, how are ya?
and sloppy. Every film turns into a story we spend all night. Level up in a cozy corner. Side by side, it just feels warmer. Pixel hearts in the overlay. Everything's so bright. We're Lauren and her crew every night.
There's a little map folded in my back pocket. Leads to a place where the hurricanes stop it. A front porch swing in an open sky, where the tears dry fast and the rivers don't lie. You won't find it on no highway sign. Ain't a dotted line on the county line. But if you close your eyes and let love lead you, you might just drift on down a Heartopia. It's a small town dream in a big world mess. A little more darling, a little less stress. Welcome to Heartopia, where the neon moon shines bright, where the broken find their mending in the middle of the night. It's a two-lane road to euphoria, past the doubt and the fear. Yeah, love's the only law in Heartopia, and everybody's welcome here. There's a jukebox playing all our old songs, where the good ones stay and the gone
Hi,
are
how are ya?
gone. Every wrong turn brings you right back home, to a field of faith where the wildflowers roam. You can lay your burdens at the
Look at this team. We're gonna do great.
for a little forgiveness. Ain't no shame, ain't no phonia, just open hearts and Heartopia, where the porch lights glow like a lighthouse beam, guiding lost souls back to their dreams. Welcome to Heartopia, where the neon moon shines bright, where the broken find their mending in the middle of the night. It's a two-lane road
Welcome in, everybody. I totally jacked that up. Yeah, I was over there harassing Sir, so sorry. I'm hoping the music isn't too loud, but welcome in, friends. I hope you're doing well. We're gonna co-stream with Sir, so it might take us a moment to get up and ready. Hi, Inbrit, I see you there. Oh yeah, I got the new swimsuit set that they were having. All right, let's see. Are we doing Discord or are we doing... What are we doing here? Let's see. Maybe we'll jump in on my Discord. I got it to buy. I don't want to make anyone jelly. The nail ones are pretty cool too. I like them. Although the shop was kind of glitchy for me. Let's see. We are going to jump in general VC for me. Because I know not everybody in my Artopia part of my community is in Sir's community. Although that should change. You should definitely join Sir's community because he is super awesome. But I understand that there's like 101 plus Discords out there. So if you don't want to join another one, completely get it. And I don't monitor who leaves either, so there he is. I'm gonna drag him.
And while we wait, we hydrate.
Oh, I need to get out of that. Thank you so much for the hydrate. I will actually hydrate with water. Angelina, thank you so much for the sticker up too. Holy moly. You know what? I'll do this. I'll do a heart sticker. We did start a little early today, but I knew that this was going to be a little bit of a dumpster fire and a half to organize. So we're like, we're just going to start this early. I always jack something up. There we go. Boop. Here's a sticker. Put that in the little sticker trash corner that I like to make over on my desk. Hopefully Sir pops in on Discord VC. We are gonna go through the pink bubbles. Yeah, the pink bubbles today. Oh my gosh.
Listen!
Hi Ray Ray, welcome in, welcome in. I'm doing well. And thank you so much for coming in, Forrest. I appreciate you. Might have lurked and ran. Completely understandable with everything going on. And there are several other team members streaming too, so I appreciate you. Thank you for
Look at this
saying
team.
hi to me.
We're gonna do great.
Welcome in. How do you do? I'm very happy. It is a Saturday. I feel like this week has been super stressful. Oof. Chester's here to hang out with us. This week has been super stressful, and it definitely tested me. Why is Sarah so close to my camera? There.
What?
Your butt's in my camera.
Where is your camera? Oh, you're trying to take a picture of yourself.
No, I
like, wait,
wasn't.
what?
I was just showing my face.
Oh,
Why do you sound so far away?
I could get my closer if you want.
I
Is
mean,
that better?
I don't want you like whispering in my ear, but I don't want you to sound like you're in a tunnel either.
I had the mic pretty far out. All right, we're good.
Okay, let's do this stream together, and then I'll go knocking on Sir's door.
Oh, nothing. Oh, ooh, not that bad.
Okay, let's see.
Let's do this.
The kitty loves their mommy. He is very invite guests. Well, I'm assuming that if I would clicked on you, that it would have invited you, but apparently
You deny?
not send invite.
I'm here already.
Oh, well, my bad.
I think so.
Yeah,
I think
you're
so.
here. You're here.
Okay.
Oh, that
still
host or
here.
another mod already just performed that action. Oh, okay, cool. It was yelling at me. Twitch was yelling at me.
Nice. Good. Good.
Hey, listen.
How full is the server? It's not full at all. We just started. You're more than welcome
Yeah,
to hop
guys, we
in.
have. How many spots do you have open right now?
We have.
Oh, never mind. My witness just got here. Oh, I've been salivating for like 30 minutes.
Yeah, get that food. I'm gonna share the chat. There we go. Cool. Let's see.
Okay.
He's getting the food.
Thank you.
There we go. We're gonna skip that. Why is
Thank you so much.
Christmas and Halloween songs back to back? Oh my goodness. Yes, of course, of course.
Hey, listen.
So you like the dating advice? Your dating advice song was very fun, Haas. I loved it. I added it to the stream playlist. Do I have a bunny too? I do not. Do not have a bunny. I travel every couple of years based off of the contract for what I do. And having a bunny and traveling like that, it's really stressful for rabbits.
I got wings and some fries.
Mm-hmm.
These smell so good. So you're gonna hear a lot of munching going on. I was supposed to get this food like over an hour ago.
Yeah.
And I forgot to hit confirm on my order.
Oh my gosh.
So it sat in my cart for over an hour.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's sad. I'm sorry.
No, it was pretty dumb. I was like, I didn't get a text or anything. I'm like, what the hell? And then I looked and I was like, oh shoot, I didn't hit confirm.
Alright, I'm turning everybody up just a little. Oh, Dad's here, so Jester has left me. He said bye. Oh my goodness. I thought that was silent.
That was very loud.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
Unacceptable.
Listen, that's why I started a little early so the dumpster fire could burn early and smolder later.
Alright, are there more people hopping on the
There should be.
Heartopia?
I think so. I think Grammy inquired, so I think she's joining us.
Ooh.
We have 3 of the 12 slots filled, so please, if you guys want to join in, the more the merrier on this. You guys can come check out my my building of horrors, aka
Do it.
my mini mall.
Gonna miss out if you don't.
What are you doing, Embrit? Oh my goodness, what is going on over here? What the hell? I'm gonna have to go check out Sir's house because this house it just gets more like crazy. How do you get so many nice kites? I have only really gotten 2 kites, and
I'm just good like that.
think I might have sold one, but you get like the really cool ones.
I had literally like 6 of the same regular ones.
Mm-hmm.
I had like 6 of those, and I sold them, and then I started getting the other ones. They just started popping up. Mainly just the pink bubbles.
Oh, well, we're gonna go over the pink bubbles once we get more people in here, so hopefully I'll get something fun in there.
Did Plants ever download the game? See, Plants is in the chat. No. Anyway, man, I'm struggling with it. I see Plants in the chat. I know
Let's see.
Plants mentioned about getting the game.
Birdie!
Ooh, somebody joined. Who's joined?
Grammy had joined.
Oh, wow. I need to see Grammy's houses. Grammy said that she updated a lot of stuff.
Ooh, nice. Yeah, we definitely have to check out everybody's house. This one's like a work in progress. I've got like a toy store happening.
Yes,
Kitty, you have something in your Steam mailbox, dear. I'm sorry it took so long. And once Amy pops in here, she can flog me also. looking for. I can see it in your eyes.
I'm watching you, Wazowski. Always watching.
Let's see. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start cooking up some stuff for
Look at
my...
this team. We're gonna do great.
Sorry, I had to do a Camelback sound. I'm sorry.
Wow.
That was terrible. There we go. I'm gonna try not to do that too loud. Oh my god, I was trying to get
Wow.
Snack Size Sharon to come with me, but she isn't feeling well. Oh, I hope she feels better. Speaking of dating, oh. Is someone dating? Is Haas dating? Oh my gosh. Cook some cakes so I can put them in the restaurant. I've gotten more chairs in the restaurant, sir, so it's not just a seating for one. I don't have to hear your sass anymore.
I went there. I was like, I'm sitting by myself.
Oh no, the song came on. Yeah, I did.
All right, Lance downloaded the game.
Nice, nice,
That
nice.
means you're gonna be joining, right?
Okay, I've got one cake roll. I'm gonna make another. You guys are more than welcome to come exploring. Oh, I only have one pink sugar. Oh no. Dang, I didn't know I was that low on pink sugar.
I'm not gonna lie. I forgot I was streaming for a second. I started eating.
What flavor wing did you get?
Honey,
Ooh.
chipotle barbecue, and raspberry chipotle.
Oh, nice. That sounds really yummy.
It is. I haven't moved in a minute.
I saw that you are flashing people with the back of your head now.
I know. A little nerve wracking, but
Yeah. Make sure you're not picking your nose when you hit that button.
I know. Well, they wouldn't be able to see it anyways, because back of my head. You gotta make sure I'm
Yeah.
wearing proper clothing.
Oh, business up top, party at the bottom.
Yep, pretty much.
Fair enough, fair enough.
Pretty much.
Oh, I gotta show you the level 35 thing that I was talking to you
Oh.
about.
Yes, you have it in your house?
It's not a house thing. I have to go to the central area to show you.
Okay.
And I can actually go through the ordering. I just need a fourth person to stamp my book. And I'll explain why.
Oh, thank you, Kitty. I really tried today.
Don't tell him that, Kitty. Don't tell him that.
What did you do? Put on some makeup and everything. Alright, I'm in the town area.
Okay, let me finish cooking this cake.
Fun looking.
That was I
No,
know. I
no,
told him
no,
don't
no,
tell
no,
him.
you
Don't
don't.
tell him he looks cute. His head will
You
get all
don't have
big.
to... you can just say the truth.
Okay, I got one more cake roll to cook, and then I'm gonna go over and to the town.
These instruments are so expensive.
I'm really excited because this thing that I'm gonna show you guys, it's gonna show you like all the furniture that you can order from it. And they
The 35
show
thing?
new coffee shop stuff, and I'm so excited for it.
Wait, can you explain that again?
It's an ordering.
Is it what you're going to show me?
I'm gonna show you. Let me just put my cake away.
I mean, is that what you're going to be showing me? What we're
Yeah.
talking about right now? Oh,
Yeah. Yeah, I'll show you what that looks like. I'm just putting my cake away because I wanted to. Oh man. I need to have the yeah, that on. Okay. I'm
So, this update that we're seeing now, what exactly happened in this update?
So technically the monkey and goat update, I think it's called, won't happen until 2 Saturdays from now, like the Saturday before Easter.
What are you expecting to see there?
Huh?
What are we expecting to see there?
So it's gonna be kind of like a Well, there's gonna be two things happening. There's gonna be like a summer event, and then there's like a new gotcha system that's gonna happen too. But they all like start at different times. And I don't remember if the goat, sheep, whatever, wolf and sheep event is a is the gotcha, or if it's like the actual event itself. Because from what I've seen, because the difficult thing about this is until they announce it on the American server, you don't know what we're really getting, because China is like getting all the stuff. Like East Asia is already getting a lot of the updates, or I've already had the updates, because this game has actually been like up for like a year or so over there.
And we're just now getting it.
Yeah, so we kind of have an idea of what's gonna happen, but I get so confused by, because I'm like subbed to all of like the different newses, so I'm not quite sure if we're gonna be getting the summer one where it's like a rubber ducks and stuff. That'll be fun. Oh, she has a freaking balloon. That's so cute. And he's adorable. I need this outfit.
So you're talking about some news that are not really even meant for us yet.
Well, I mean, the wolf sheep event is us. That one has been officially announced, and it's on the 28th of March when that will start. I just don't know if that's our summer event, or if that's the gotcha event, like the new gotcha to replace. So it's not going to replace a forest spell yet, so that's not what it is. So that is likely our new event, like the winter event where we buy the pass. That's probably what's going to be what's coming up on the 28th. And then there's going to be like a potential rubber duck event. But that's more to come on that. That hasn't officially been announced from what I have seen so far.
What is that?
It's gonna be... Let me see if I can find it real quick. Sorry, I'm just flashing people with my Google. Nokia summer... People like to call, like, there's a battle pass. There is a regular pass. There's like a whole bunch of stuff. Let's see what this is.
Why am I so
The ads on this thing. All my ads for YouTube now are Heartopia. Okay.
Man, you're barefooted, by the way.
I know. I probably shouldn't be, but I am. I'm gonna mute this, and then I'm gonna...
One toe.
Anyways, leave my big toe alone. What in the world is my suggestions? All right. Let's see. I'll just full screen it, or
What
theater.
are those?
What are those? Okay, so beach amusement park is what we are suspecting that is going to come here for summer, but we'll see.
Nobody saw that.
And I'm honestly not a huge fan of it. The hammer's cute though.
Of what, of the update you're about to talk about?
Listen!
Yeah, so to replace like the forest frost spell is what we're thinking like the summer stuff is gonna be. Because it's kind of got like a similar vibe to it. But we'll see. I like those
look at
ducky
this
lamps.
team.
They're so
We're gonna do
cute.
great.
It's like the only thing I really want.
I just got the Grammy furniture in the shop.
Oh, nice. So those are like that's like the thing. Okay. So now Forrest is playing and she blames me, but it is all you. No. Listen, I just, you know, pushed you over the line a little bit more. Well, you know what? I think I will get on Heartopia till then. Please, we're on a private server and we have plenty of space, so you're more than welcome to come out and hang out with us. Okay, so I am next to the ordering machine, which is an awesome machine that once you hit level 35, you can actually order specific items that you want.
I'm like,
But you can't
I don't
see
know,
it
but- Yep.
because you don't have it.
I'm pulling up your stream again.
Does this mean I have to build my house again? What does that mean? You have to build your house again with like the new, what's it called? Like the new battle pass or whatever you want to call it. So in the ordering machine, you can actually pick between clothing and furniture. If I join you, no. The private server just means that you will spawn into a server that is password protected.
So no random.
So no randoms, yeah. You will have everything that you have will come in, and like nothing will be impacted. So this is all the orderable goods that you can get. It's all the chairs. Like as long as it wasn't part of a battle pass, you can get it. So I'm like, I want to order some of these. I don't know how big they are. I'm kind of conflicted because I'm building like a convenience store in my mini mall. But every item.
That's really cool.
Yeah, this is why I'm like which one do I order? Do I order the item stands?
Mm-hmm.
And it's a whole bunch of stuff. It's crazy what they have here. Like you will have a good idea of what everybody has. Like what items there will be in Bob's shop at some point for you.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah.
But you only get that at level 35.
You only get it at level 35, but there's a catch. There's always a catch. The stamp book that I had you guys stamp for me, I think these, that is going to help lessen the amount of days it takes to get items. So you can get up to 4 stamps, and it reduces, I don't remember how many days it takes. I think it like takes 4 days, but I think it reduces the amount of days down to like a half or something like that. I don't.
35 Grammy.
And this is at what? Yeah, 35. So I'm hoping if I can snag somebody else, I can actually get the last stamp.
Okay, explain the stamping.
So
So when you order something there, you don't get it on the spot?
no. So it's kind of
Oh.
like Amazon.
Oh, jeez.
In the stamp
That was
book,
the delivery guy.
the stamp book is kind of like, do you got regular or do you got prime?
Mm.
So if I can get another person, I can get closer to prime. But I can always just, let me see what it'll do if I try to order now with 3 stamps. I don't know what I want though. I think I should get the display, the glass display.
It should tell you the tiling, that the amount of tiles it takes.
Yeah, you can click on it and it'll show you. Oh, there's a pink one and this is gonna probably go into my coffee shop, so I'm gonna go with like the black bronze look.
Oh, and you can't paint it afterwards. Can you?
It's a 2x1. Nope, because it's a Bob shop item. It's not a
2 tiles sideways, 1.
mhm, bistro food display case. This is one of the new items that are coming to Bob shop. How does one give you a stamp? So you would present your stamp book to them, and they would just do the stamp prompt.
And it drains you of your life.
Yeah, it drains your energy. Oh my gosh.
Your character automatically just falls on the ground. You can't do anything.
Okay, so in order to make it, I think it's in order to get it down to 4 days, I have to have that 4th stamp. Like you have to have a full completed book for it to be not 7 days. So that's like the
It takes a week.
it takes a week if you don't use the stamp book.
Might as well shoot. It'll probably show up on Bob's shop before you get it.
Well, that's actually another thing. If the item does show up, you can actually cancel your order, or when it comes in, you can swap out or get something else. Like you're not fully committed to that item once you order it. And if
Okay.
you do order it and cancel it, you actually get your stamp book all the way back.
Interesting.
Oh, thank you, Grammy. I appreciate it.
What? Hold on. So you have to stamp your book per item that you're trying to purchase?
No, you have to get 4 stamps to get Amazon Prime.
Oh, okay.
So Grammy's coming in. She's gonna save us with that 4th stamp. I got somebody to stamp it earlier when I was fishing, and then it was funny. She pulled out hers too, and I was like, "Okay, cool. I don't feel bad for asking her to stamp my stamp card now." That Grammy coming in here. Oh my goodness, Grammy! Look at you. Dang. Let me grab my stamp book.
Oh, yeah.
So yeah, I'll pull the stamp book out as soon as I can find it. I probably should favorite it or something.
How much HP does it drop?
I believe it's 30 HP. Hi.
Okay.
So she'll stamp it. We'll get that fourth
some food with you.
stamp. I'll give this to her. Always have food on you when you're trying to get your stamp book done. As a thank you to get some of their energy back. Okay. And then I'm gonna order the display case. Because I should have enough.
Oh, that's pretty cool though.
And then we can confirm order. And it's gonna take 2 days and 10 hours with the stamp book instead of the 7 days.
Okay.
And then every time I click in here, it just shows me what's on display.
Can you only order one thing at a time?
Only order one thing at a time, but it is a guaranteed item. It costs the same amount that it would in Bob's shop if you would
Okay.
order it from Bob. And then I don't remember, I have to rewatch the video, but in addition to this item, it also offers you up some random items too, that you can purchase alongside that item.
When it arrives.
When it arrives, yeah.
Oh. That's interesting.
Yeah, so once you hit level 35, this will be like a guaranteed item kind of thing for you.
I'm like a month away from level 35.
Also, did you guys know about the bookstore?
No. What about this?
Let's go to the bookstore. Because your collectibles, you're actually not getting all of your collectibles if you don't go buy it from the bookstall. Where is it? This way.
Which collectible?
So you know how you have like puzzles and stuff?
Mhm.
Well, every week this bookstall resets with 2 of the collectible books, and it actually goes towards your collection. I haven't put in first order. That's fantastic.
So,
Welcome in, Zach.
ah,
Yeah, so the top 2 books are the
There's only
collectible
books, right?
books, and then everything else underneath is just whoever, like, written by other people.
interesting.
So
Oh,
definitely,
that's my book.
yeah, your book's in there. The books
Oh,
are
that's funny.
collectible too. Yeah, they are collectible. So make sure you're collecting the books to like help with your collectible. It's under other collections, I believe.
Wait, do I have to buy my own book?
You can, but you don't need to.
Listen!
You can. I think you can even like it. Like you can go in there because what I'll do is I'll go into the bookstore, and if I find friends' books, I will actually like them all. They better give us some functioning bookcases then. I actually built a library in my mini mall.
I'm watching
shoot.
you, Wazowski.
So in the collections
Always
tab, if you go
watching.
into other collection and to the dream collection, it's underneath the puzzles. You'll actually see all the books that are released. And those do count towards your collections bar.
Okay, so the top 2 are the only ones that really count.
Yeah. Thanks for
for
the trash
collection
fire.
purposes.
I don't have a stamp book? Oh, okay. So I'm really close. I think I'm like 1 point away from getting the next collectible status bar.
Ooh.
Bless you.
So what are all the items in the collection?
What do you mean you're looking for?
Like, what are all the collectible items?
Oh, geez. So puzzles are gonna be like your one of the collectible sets you have to do. The books you have to do the collectible sets for. That's all of like the ones that most people don't know about. Everything else is kind of like vehicles and stuff. So, I mean, that's like, I think most people just don't know about the books and the puzzles as collectibles, and more so the books.
I had no idea about the book.
You also have an instrument selection. I know that not a lot of people remember it, but Annie does sell instruments. Instruments are part of your collectibles. They are expensive as heck though.
Yeah.
So if you go to her, she has a friendship store You get the stamp book after the first order? No, you should get it along with the it should be in your inventory bag. And it'll be like a green book, and it's going to be near like your foods. It should be. Is it in your mail?
Level 35s. We're still peasants over here.
If your inventory was full and received it, it's probably in your mailbox then, but you should have gotten it alongside the green box. Unless you already used it, because mine's gone. Like, I used my stamp book, and it's gone now. I won't get it back until the order is done.
Have you
Nope.
received anything yet? Or is this going to be your first purchase?
My-
thing?
This is my first. I just made 35 yesterday. So,
Ah.
I was holding out. So Annie does have a friendship store and a music store, so make sure you're looking at both of those. The music store is going to have the instruments that you can collect. Those do count towards your collections too. And I didn't find this out until a while ago, but people actually have their songs on there that are published just like the books. Some of them are like crazy good. Like I have this Interstellar one, and this one is crazy awesome. I like this one.
Okay.
Who did that one?
Anya. Yes.
Here, stop running. I can stamp it. Stop running. Somebody's running. Oh, here we go.
That one, and then Pirates Medley. I didn't hear this one. What is this?
I got you.
It's Pirates of the Caribbean. Oh my freaking goodness! I'm buying this one.
Those are all that people made?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
So, like, if you want music in your house, that's like songs that are better than what I can do, which is, I mean, it's setting the bar really low. Let's be honest here. But like, I have this Pirates medley, and then somebody also made Part of Your World. And, and there's a Beauty and the Beast one too. What?
What's that creepy one that you were playing in your house for like forever?
That one was mine. Thanks. Ooh. Beauty and the Beast. Oh.
Hey, listen.
Are you in Heartopia? I can show you my friend code. Oh, I love this one. I'm gonna buy this one too. All of my collection, like people that I've bought songs from, I just hang them on the wall so I can pick.
Is that part of collection?
It's not really, because it's like people made it. I'm gonna click back on since we're not listening to these anymore. Titanic meme. What is that? Oh. It's not part of the actual collection. It's part of just my collection. Oh, I'm sorry. Let me stamp that for you. It is 30 energy.
Yeah, they've been standing there for like a hot 5 minutes.
I'm sorry. You can tap people now. Just so you guys are aware, with the update that happened, you can tap, which basically alerts the person that while they're in their menu that you're trying to get a hold of them.
How do you do that?
So there's gonna be 3 bubbles above your head. The middle one is for you and any other like random person. But if you want to like, after Mystic's asking for stamps. There you go. If you want to go in your menu, sir, I can do it like real time with you so you can see what a tap looks like.
Okay.
I guess like pretend like you're looking at your collections or something.
Oh, okay. I'm in my collection. Oh, that's funny. It actually does a tap.
Yeah, it's like a
That is
knock.
funny. Yeah.
What is the name of the servers?
Cool.
So I'm gonna show you guys my friend code, and then you guys can just add me from that code, or I'll just post it. So you're gonna add me with this friend code, and then you'll just click on me as far as the town ones, and I can show you how to get there once I get the
That is
friend
pretty cool.
request. I love teaching you
Nice.
guys this. This is fun.
We're done eating. Man. Look at them,
Forrest, get over here. There's plenty of room.
I'll be back in 1 second. Let me take this to the kitchen.
Okay, we're just watching Embrit play in the snow. Those wings are probably really delicious.
They were so good.
They sound so good.
Still a newbie? Hey, we're gonna go chasing for pink bubbles. So if you guys want to do your pink bubbles for the week, we're gonna go do that here in a little bit. I've already collected a couple of them because I've ran upon them while I was playing. So I'm still gonna follow the video so we can go one by one.
Oh, I should go open up those Doritos. I haven't opened up any of those chips yet.
What?
Yeah.
You look like you're having a lot of fun. Let's see.
It's a vibe.
My skating set. Wait, I don't know what I would wear. Oh. Spicy. Very spicy.
All right. We are ready.
Are you ready though?
Oh, man. I am so stuck.
I haven't had chicken wings in so long.
Oh, they hit the
Oh,
spot.
I have nothing
They're
to
like
stick.
They're like $18.
Oh
a
wait,
dozen
never mind.
here
I
now.
did. I forgot I resonated with somebody.
Yeah, they're a little expensive, but
I should have bought stock
Dan.
and chicken wings.
Forgot I had those three. Oh, I'm glad you rezzed with me.
Okay.
You guys are all level 35. I'm only level 28.
Oh, so to add friends,
Amber, we touch grass.
festival gift.
Fine.
Add Lon, it's David. Okay, so what you can do, Kitty, and it's
Is there a point to do these anymore? I don't think so.
Some people do. How do you get in here, man? Guys, I don't remember how to add friends. I don't think it's through settings, is it? Maybe it's a friendship journal. There we go. I think that's how
Yeah.
it is. Oh, yeah. So friendship journal, you go through the search bar. And you post in the DG member ID. And then you search them up. And then you add them that way. Well, we're gonna be a whole bunch of people in here, David. So if you jump into our server, everybody that's in stream, you'll be able to add them through here. Oh, Mystic, you look adorable. I love the minty pastel looks. Alright, I'm gonna pull up the video. Did you get it? Let me see. I did just get a notice. So let me go over here. Accept. There we go. We got Forrest and Kitty.
What are we doing?
So we're gonna do pink bubbles. We're just trying to get everybody in here.
All right, let's do it.
So what you can do to join us, everybody, is you can go into your friendship journal once you've added me or Sir or any of the members here, and then you're gonna click on them, and at the bottom it's gonna show visit, and then it's gonna ask for a passcode, and Sir Sucks, the one that's pinned above both of our chats, is the password. You're welcome. I told you if I played with you, the password was gonna be Sir Sucks. Like, this wasn't supposed to be a surprise.
Wow. People love.
All right, let me get the video up.
Guys, is right down here. The magnifying glass.
All I hear is sass from you right now. Oop. Sorry, I'm gonna get the video up here. The Halloween stuff that's coming out in this game looks amazing.
Yeah, Halloween stuff.
Well, it's that whole thing of like, we don't know if it's gonna come to us, but it's already been like a thing for China.
Who are we doing?
Let's see.
There is a limit on the amount of friends you can have, right?
I don't know actually.
It's 200.
200. Oh, I'm gonna start deleting
That's
some
what it says.
randos.
Just 19 out of 200 for your friends.
Oh, snap. I'm gonna start deleting some randos.
How many people do you have?
Don't know. Hold on.
There's no way. How many people do you have?
73, so I'm halfway, almost halfway
Oh.
there.
Okay, you're making it sound like you had 170 already.
I mean,
Yeah, I'm like-
there were some I was like,
Go around adding everybody.
All right, let me pull up
Not very
the
bored.
pink bubbles. All right, get your cards, everybody.
All right.
Hmm. And then it looks like we're heading over to the Forest Island area. So we're going to
Get some
Truffle
gas,
Island.
carpool.
Yeah, save some gas. All right, I'm just getting to the point on the map. All right. Okay, guys, let's go. If I take some shortcuts, I do drive better in real life.
Am I in your car?
Yeah, you are.
I do not feel safe anymore.
Oh, excuse me. Okay.
Ran him over.
So, I'm kind of going not off the video, but I know that there is one right alongside this ridge. Let's see.
I see it. I see it. It's on the left.
On the left?
Did you pick this one up already?
I did.
Right here. It's right here.
Oh, okay, perfect. Oh, yep, right
Yep.
there where Sir's going. So that's our first
Right
pink
here.
bubble.
There should be one right here.
I did also post the video in Discord, so if I'm going too fast for people, it is in my Discord Partopia chat posted.
You guys gotta wait for me. My car's not as fast.
Well, Sir has his own car. Okay, let's see. Pink bubble number 1.
I didn't want
All right,
to
with Mystic.
for driving my car, so I got on yours.
All right. All right, we're gonna go up the right side, it looks like, over here. We're gonna be going to the campground that's over here. And there should be a pink bubble in the tent, which I have
Yep,
not
there is.
gotten.
Right in here.
I got stars, thank goodness. I need
Stars, yep.
those. 15, dang.
I only got 10.
I got one earlier that was like 5. I think it varies for everybody. Okay, what's next?
This is pretty good. You just got to group and do this. Get them all knocked out.
Mm-hmm. Oh, there's one on this bridge over here.
On this bridge right here, yep.
Yep. They're stuck in falling mode.
Wait, really? Ooh, I got the blue rocks. Oh, wrong one.
I mean, you can yes.
I don't know where we're going.
Oh god. Okay, let me look at the video for the next one. This is a good way of getting letting people catch up too. It looks like we're going to the bug that area for the onsen. Oh, yep, I see it. Okay. Let's see. We're gonna go up here. I just gotta pause the video before it goes a little too far.
Ooh, there's a gold one, a gold bubble back there.
Where?
For me, at least.
Oh.
For me. It looks like a clothing bubble. Probably gonna be another first.
Yeah, the pink
Is it
heart
here?
set should be ending here pretty soon. No, pink bubble set.
Okay.
So I think we're gonna be getting like a different colored set here pretty soon.
Oh, it's a puzzle I already have.
Oh, you got a puzzle?
Yeah.
Dang.
No, I don't have. I have that puzzle.
Okay, it looks like the next one we're going to is by the big onsen meteor pond. So I'm gonna just finish watching what this is. Oh, it's our favorite, guys. Sorry, I can't see chat as much. All right, there we go. I can't keep up. How do I find you? Okay. We are at the onsen area. If you want to join us for these rest of these bubbles. And Grammy, it's okay. I have it posted in the Discord, so no worries. Kitty, you are There's Forest. There's Grammy.
I'm watching you, Wazowski.
Kitty Cat is over by Central
I meant
Square.
to put that in yours. You're not mine.
Oh, Miss Bird. I don't know if I have that bird yet. Okay. Here. Who's driving up? Fast and Furious over there. If you wanna. Okay, that's Forest. Hi, Forest. Okay, and I think Kitty is joining us. And there's Grammy. Kitty is in the central area. I'm gonna go run and grab Kitty real quick. Sir, get out. Get your own car. I still have my baby car. I'm gonna be right back, guys. I'm gonna go grab Kitty. Trying to find her on the map real quick. I think she's across the shops. Where's Kitty?
Also artist.
I'm gonna track her. I'm gonna put my GPS tracker on her. There we go. How do I do it? No worries. I'm coming to get you. Hop in, dear. I'll take you to the crew. Y'all can stop by and see me when you're done. I'll be over here designing a shirt. Oh, awesome. And there's Kaching, which has no puzzles that I need today. Or this week, for that matter.
Oh, I was gonna say, like no puzzle.
Yeah, she has puzzles, just not the ones I want. This is Sir's house.
I haven't checked that.
There's my house. Let's see. We're back over here. Yes. Okay. Here's Kitty. Let's see. Ready? Yep, yep. Load him up. Grab a buddy. All I'm getting is duplicates lately. Oh, for the puzzles? Yeah. Alright, so it's gonna be a fun game of where is it popping
it's
out
over
at?
here. Oh, it pops up from different little holes.
I got it. Okay, the next one's gonna be over here then. It goes
It's
counterclockwise.
back here. Dang it, I got it.
Yeah, if
There's another puzzle.
you miss the one that it comes out of, it goes counterclockwise around this circle. So you can typically beat it if you like grab your scooter or something and go around. Or if you know it's coming up, just stand in a hole.
Yep.
Just stand in a geyser. Then just hang out for a bit. Is that a duck I don't have? I feel like it. I don't know if it's a regular mallard or not. Alright, while we're waiting for everybody to grab their bubbles, I'm gonna go to the next one. Okay.
Alright, what's the next one?
Next one is gonna be up in the corner, it looks like. We're going, it's a little off-road apparently. Over here. It's up on one of these capybara heads. There it is.
Oh wow, it's up there.
Yeah, the best way to get up there is this way. There we go.
One!
Hello there. How are you doing, Pink?
A postcard.
A postcard? I didn't even get to see what I had. I didn't even get to see it.
I got oak timber.
Oak timber, hell yeah. The roaming oak? That's some good stuff. Okay, so the next one is gonna be at the Rosie River Bridge. I'm ready to rock and roll if anybody wants to drive with me. That doesn't already have a pony car.
Oh, I think
Pony Club.
We're still waiting for some other people to get the ones that are popping up and down.
Oh. It looks like
Wow.
Kitty and everybody. Sir Stinky.
I haven't showered yet. Yeah,
He
Brandon, I
smells
haven't
like hot
showered
wings now.
yet. I do. I rubbed them on my face and everything.
Come here,
Armpits,
ladies.
everywhere.
Like this, up here. You're gonna get your next pink bubble up here, guys. Kitty? Up here, up here.
Hey, listen.
Yeah, you just go up the back of them. And then it's gonna be right here. And there's your pink bubble. Oh, hi there, Snow. Meowdy. You got this, kitty. You got this. Gambate. There you go. Yep, just jump straight up. You might have to do your big jump, or you can just jump on the snout right here. Just be on the nose and do your small jump. That better not be an I can't stop it. My bot does the shout out. I can't not do it. I would stand right here. Like, oh, there you go. Nice. There you go. She got the hops. She's got the hops.
Oh, we got 2 more people joining.
Welcome in. Welcome in. I need to go feed the capybaras while people are doing the jump puzzle. How dare you, bot? Let's see. You can't even blame me. It's all the bot. I gotta go
We
feed
only
my
have 3
cat.
slots open left.
Oh, that's crazy. This is the fullest server we had in a hot minute. Or at all. I've come for 2 seconds to add friends and say hello, but it's near 1 a.m., so I will not be staying. Completely understandable. Get some rest, dear. Thank you so much for saying hello. I got 99 problems, but this capybara companion level ain't one.
What's the level for that one?
What do I have for capybaras? I am about halfway through level 4. Actually, they're probably my lowest companion. Recalling your vehicle. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Sorry. My apologies. Sorry, kitty. Didn't realize you were in it. You're coming for me. Nice.
Alright, is everybody following? Alright.
Thank you for the Wario time, Sicknos. Next bubble is going to be over here on the bridge. I already got this one, unfortunately. But it's right here.
Yep, I see it. It is right there. Side to side.
I never met nobody
Oh, another postcard.
like you. Had friends and I've had buddies. It's true, but they don't turn my tummy the way you do. I've never met nobody.
Like you. Miranda, thank you so much for
003
subscribing
underscore
to the
just
Dumpster
subscribe.
Fire. I appreciate you, dear. You're just grabbing the pink bubbles.
Hey, that's my house right there.
Hey, sorry, I'm back. I'm trying to figure out where to go next. Oh, it's the big rock. This way, guys. The big rock. It's the sacrificial rock.
The sacrificial rock.
Yeah.
Oh, the one you jump off of?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Got
you
the
have to
pink
jump out too.
toilet. Hell yeah. I saw that. You had the pink toilet.
Oh, I didn't catch it.
We're going to the beach next after this. Yeah.
I got more of the.
I'll catch you. I just like how everybody's just jumping off of it.
Another bathtub. I'm up to 4 of those.
I need this thing to swap over soon. I'm tired of all the pink furniture. Yeah, the whole gang here. That's what I love about this gang is we can all like hang out and just do random stuff with each other. The next one's gonna be beach actually, so it's probably gonna be easier to just go this way. But I'm going all the way around. And it's in... Oh, there it is. I see it. I might actually have enough to get some stuff from the special shop. Yeah, I might actually have enough.
Another postcard. Man, my bubbles are sucking.
Oh, hopefully the rest of them are good. Alright, I'm trying to find out where the next one's at. Beach. Lighthouse. Somewhere by the lighthouse, it looks like. In the wharf.
Alright, move away.
Oh, it's gonna be the one that's underneath the little stand. What is it called? We have it there like every week, it seems. And there's gonna be one on a roof also. We're gonna have to walk this one. I drive terribly through here. I won't even lie. I am a terrible driver. It should be... Where is
Oh, I
it?
see it
Over
on
here.
top.
Yeah. There's one on top and then there's one over here too. Don't run over me.
Oh, I see it inside the stand.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, another blue stone.
Yeah, and then the other one is gonna be on top of this roof over here where everybody's hopping to. It looks like jumping on the porch is easier. But you're gonna have to do your big jump for it. Or you can always just get a car here. Let me see. My vehicles. Let me...
I was able to jump from the steps.
Oh, there we go, yeah. So I'm in a car.
Ah, look at this team. We're gonna do great.
Good job, everybody.
Welcome in, welcome in. Hello, fellow team members. Me and my little white car. I love your little white car. I mean, I'm sad I've even announced the rainbow event and forgot about it. I was on Apex, was legit 5:40 p.m. by the time I got to do dailies, and I was like, no. Oh
Where do we go
no.
from here?
Oh no. Hi, Philly. Welcome in. Nice forehead. Thanks. What's the password? The password is, it should be pinned on chat. It's Sir Sucks with Sir, the first letter of Sir capitalized, and the Sucks, first letter of Sucks capitalized. Okay, where is this next place? It looks like we are heading towards the big steps. Oh, I see it. I'm yapping. I'm sorry. I'm yapping.
Because it's iconic.
We do iconic stuff here, yes.
And I love to do iconic shit.
Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate it. Signos. Signos understands, sir.
Oh, I see where that one is.
Boop. Got a postcard. Kitty cat. I'm gonna send this one to Kitty. Alright, where's the next one? Okay. I think you left Kitty behind. No! Did I leave her behind? I was walking. I didn't...
Somebody did stay back there.
No, Kitty. No, Kitty. I'm sorry, Kitty. She's over here. Somewhere? Where is she? Is she coming over the mountain? She'll be coming around the mountain when she comes. Wait, is she this way? There she is. I swear I walked. I'm so sorry. Over here, dear.
Same.
Whee! Over here, right here, on the bridge. Probably underneath the car. Whee! There's your peak. Oh my gosh, I'm stuck. Okay, so the next one is going to be what was that? I missed it. Okay, I'm trying to look at the map. I'm gonna be like, what? What is this?
What?
I'm sorry. It's by Garden Street. I'm gonna track Bailey to get there, but I
Sounds
give
like somebody's well.
Snow a high five real quick. I know Snow's gotta head out pretty soon, so I want to make sure I say high five to her. We get a high five. You need a res, or are you good, Snow? Hi, Scanty. Thank you. I'll stay for the bubbles. Okay, perfect. I named my cat Kitty Cat. Oh my freaking goodness, that's genius. Okay. I'm gonna take the hard path. Y'all can take the easy path. But I'm going up the steps. Whee! There we go. Okay, so it's supposed to be down here somewhere. I think it's on this bridge. I think I might have collected this one already. Yeah, I did. So it's on this bridge.
I see. Yep, it's
And
up there.
you can either use a car or you can like jump on the rails. Either one. Playing repo but listening in? Thank you. Thank you, thank you. I appreciate you, Philly Willy.
Oh, it's a treasure. Ooh, what?
What'd you get?
Which one did I get? Hold on. Ah, is it the pink? It's a pink shower. It's either the pink or the white one. I can't tell.
You got fluorite. Nice. Oh, do you need the one by the... You need the bubble by the beach? Okay. So, we gotta head down this way. I'm following a video, so I'm trying, guys. It's at the right of the lamppost. Oh, and there's a bridge. Okay, so there's a wooden bridge over here. It's by the, I might have gotten this one. It's by the car dude.
The car dude. Wait, where are you now? Oh, you're all the way over there. Hold on.
Yeah, by the car dude. You guys can see a
I think you
pink
left
bubble.
us.
Let me see. I'm gonna rewatch the video. Let's see.
By the car dude. So
It's on a wooden bridge.
Oh, over here. It's by me. I'm me.
Oh, it's by you? Perfect.
Yeah, it's by me. I see it. It's right here.
Oh yeah, it's over here. It's hard to like, the YouTube video is like so small. I'm struggling.
Right here.
I don't see anything. It should be right here somewhere.
Yep.
Okay. Now that we've gotten that, I'm gonna play the rest of this video. I'm like squinting. I'm like, where is this? I think the last... Oh, pink sink. Nice. I think the last one we might have gotten already. So let me just see. I'm gonna watch the video to make sure it is the pink bubble that we got first because it was out of order.
Wow.
Yeah, that's the one we got. So we got all the pink bubbles. The video is posted. We've lost a forest and a mystic. No. Let's see. There's Grammy. Forest. And there's Mystic. I think they're joining us. There we go. We got everything. Perfect. We can go through the first couple since Kitty wasn't with us and Snow probably hasn't gotten them yet. There's a couple more. We can go for everybody who's already gotten them. You don't have to go through this with us again. But I will take everybody over. Yep, that was all the bubbles.
All right. I'm gonna go finish my quest then.
All right, have fun. I'm gonna take everybody over for the first couple. So if you need to do a first couple, you'll just follow the pink butterfly car. Not Sir's rainbow car.
Never mind. Oh, where's my house?
Brendan's almost here. Have a great night. Thank you so much, Mystic. I appreciate you. I can't drive. Me neither can I. Hi, Night Vixen. Welcome in. Let's see. It's right here. It'll be right there. You see a pink bubble up there? Yeah, right where you are. There we go. Your close classroom spelled my name wrong. How rude. Can't help you with that, my friend. Okay, Okay, so the next one's gonna be over here. Have a great sleep, Mystic. I appreciate you for being here, beautiful. It's gonna be in this tent. You should see it right in here. Ta-da! And I think Sir muted himself, so we're gonna let him do his thing.
Wait, what did I do?
Did you mute yourself?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, just want to make sure. I think it's this way.
I was just talking crap about you. I didn't want
Oh,
to do it.
yeah? Yeah. Sounds about right. Should be one right here, guys. I'm gonna mute mine since I'm yapping about things we've already yapped about, so you don't have to feel like you need to mute me. Okay.
That's the reason we're here for, just to hear you yap all the time.
Smart ass. Live, love, yap. Too
Live,
funny.
laugh, yep, yeah.
Wait, it's over here. Sorry. I juked you. Alright, there you go. Should be one over here somewhere. Whee! Okay. And then I think you weren't here for the one up the geyser ones. So let's go up to the geyser one. I think Kitty does have these, so she's just hanging. She's just chilling with us. There you go. It's gonna be one of these geysers. One of these. It's gonna pop up. You're just gonna have to wait for it. I usually just kind of stand here and look around. Live, love, lurk. That's cute. All right. Aww. I think I
I'm
have.
gonna make a live, love, lurk sticker.
That's cute.
Okay.
Live, laugh, toaster bath. You know that one actually. Yes, that 100%. I got a puzzle. What the hell did? Where did I get this from?
Just gonna steal it a little bit.
Where did? I didn't
With
even
your
know I
permission.
had this puzzle. What the heck?
Which one?
I got a puzzle in my. Maybe it was the capybara one because I wasn't paying attention when I picked the capybara one. But I got like it's a town hall one.
Live, laugh, lawn. No.
No, we don't want it. That one's. Oh.
No.
Let's go around this guy.
No.
Off-roading. Whee! Oh. Ah.
Go ahead. We'll definitely make something up.
I accidentally hit my exit button. Just jumped off the cliff.
Alright, we're gonna go check out Kasheen to see what puzzles she has today.
And here's your last one, dear. I think this is all of them. Parkour, yeah, I've definitely parkoured my ass off there.
I don't think I have either of these. Hold on.
Yep. There's probably one more over here, potentially. I don't know if when exactly you joined. But I can show you the next one from here. So now, were you with us at the beach? Because if you were with us at the beach, then that's going to be the one after this one.
Love, lurk.
Live, love, lurk.
I gotta remember that.
That is pretty
I gotta
freaking
remember
cute.
that, so I don't forget.
There's one here.
I don't forget it.
I don't want to be part of this event. Stop. I have this one? Okay, perfect. So you probably have all the rest of them then. Okay. A Sir's Outhouse is a... I think I just want to turn around.
Thank you.
Perfect.
Well, I have this one. I don't have this one.
The desert. Oh, okay. Perfect. Well, we are gonna go... I'm gonna go back to my house to build this puzzle. You guys are more than welcome to come hang. I gotta add this to my wall of puzzles.
Don't do it to the trap. Once you go in, you get
Good
stuck.
night. Good night, Snow. Buenas noches. Hold on. Perfect. All right, we're gonna go hang out at the mini mall, or the mini mart. I don't know what this is. Cooking event at my house? Oh, Miranda, are you doing a cooking event? That would be awesome. I don't know if I have much to cook, but if anybody's trying to do a cooking event, Miranda's the place to go because she has like a whole bunch of cooking stations. I don't park very well. This is my garage. There are the bathrooms. I got a toy store. I need more bears. I might actually have all the small bears. Oh, there's Chester.
Already?
I think so. I'm gonna have to look at the order, like the collection menu to see. I've got 6 bears. 6 small bears. So I don't know.
Sorry guys, she doesn't touch grass.
House 11, if you want to join cooking event, I like to save my rainbow bouquets for more than just myself so everyone gets the monies. Oh, perfect. So Miranda is on house plot 11. She's going to pop a rainbow bouquet for those who show up. And then you can immediately start getting to cooking so you can get that buff right away. So cute, thank you. Yeah, we gotta organize this area. I got all the cakes over here. But I'm missing a pink cake because apparently I'm out of pink sugar. I think I lost you. Where'd you go? Probably went upstairs, actually. Yeah, I think got it. Oh yeah, you're in my office. Nice.
I actually don't have either of the puzzles she's selling today.
Well, you lucky duck.
I know. One's 80 stars though.
Oh, yeah. She has like a really expensive. She had the freaking, you know, the 3 cars one puzzle that you have that's lined up.
Yeah.
She had that one yesterday, and it was 80 stars, and I was like, "There's no freaking way."
I know, it's ridiculous.
I'm gonna go upstairs and put my puzzle down.
So I will load.
Yeah, I do not have this one yet.
I wish you can gift stuff because it's like there's 3 of them available.
The what?
Definitely would buy and give it out. The puzzles. There's 3 of them available.
Oh wow.
Like, I wish you could gift stuff or sell them or something.
Yeah, I feel like the puzzles are a little too difficult to collect. for some reason.
Especially to display them. Take
Like-
a lot of real estate.
Yeah, I get the animals, like I get that, but the everything else, it's like goodness gracious. You found my trampoline. I have a music room upstairs too. The trampoline room is so fun. Whee!
I'm gonna have to go over there and get some deer meat.
We're over here on the trampoline. Whee!
Oh, I got 4 puzzles.
Too funny. Flipping coins over here. I need to put this puzzle up real quick. What am I gonna do? I think I'm gonna put it right here.
I already have that one. So the 2 puzzles I found today, I have them.
Oh, it still works towards your experience on puzzles, though. If you do get bored. I got more records.
Come over, I'll share it. I'm on my way. How far is Arkansas from me?
Arkansas? Really? Is that how you're gonna say it?
That's how you're supposed to say it.
I feel like that's a little disrespectful.
You remove the AR, and how does it spell? How do you say it?
Arkansas.
I thought. No, no. If you remove the AR, how do you say it?
Arkansas.
Without the AR.
Saw.
Uh-huh. Alright, let's see. To the middle of Arkansas. Holy crap, that's 16 hours.
Yeah,
15 and a half.
she did say 15 hours. Arkansas. That's funny.
Arkansas. 15 hours. Oh, yep, I wasn't. I was on Google Maps when you wrote that. Sorry.
You're killing me, Smalls. What am I doing? What am I doing, Miranda?
I call it Arkansas soup. Yeah, see? See? Oh, this is the big one.
Oh yeah, the piano tiles. Those are so fun.
Put this one.
This one's cool too. I need to turn up the setting, like the sound on my thing.
That guy. Oh, hey, Rick.
New
Here.
application. Oh, it's Tia. Awesome.
I need to build the big one.
Let's see.
I gotta do the 100-piece one so I can finish the thingy. Let's see how fast I can build this.
I wonder what the. Oh, that looks difficult.
It's done.
The instrument room is pretty fun. Yeah, there we go. I've been trying to gather all the instruments so people can play them, at least like the ones that you can actually interact with. Unfortunately, you can't pick up the guitars or the lute or any of that. You can only do like certain ones.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
That's kind of lame.
Kitty's playing the xylophone over here. It's cute. And then like on the discs, you can actually click on them and like listen to them. Oh, that's like a really cool thing.
So won't let you pick up the instruments though?
Not like the guitars or the recorder.
That's a bummer.
But I have the cajon. Cajon?
What? The what?
The cajon? I don't know. It's
Cajon.
C-A-H-O-N, and it's like a wooden block that you sit on and like.
Yeah, the cajon.
Cajon?
Cajon. Like
And-
cajon is something really different.
Oh yeah. You care to educate?
Oh no, it's like It's like saying like cojones is like when you say like that guy has like cojones, like big
Oh,
balls.
like a ball.
Yeah.
Like
It's
a
like
nut.
a ball, but it's like you're referring to that.
Well, I suppose if you're a man and you sit on it, there it's got a cajon on it. Cojones. Hey, Chester. Hey, BB. I'm gonna go see if I can get something from the shop. Chester, stop rubbing your face on the mic.
Don't stop.
Ooh. Okay, sir, you get to choose.
What?
You get to choose for me. Rock, paper, scissors, dice. Pressure springboard. Or regular dice.
Rock, paper, scissors, dice. What is this for?
It's like you spin it and it chooses rock, paper, or scissors. It's like a randomizer.
And what do I get if you lose?
Well, I mean, it's not. I'm trying to pick an item and I'm letting you pick.
Rock, paper, scissors, dice.
Rock, paper, scissors, dice. Okay.
Yeah.
I mean, we can play rock, paper, scissors if you want.
Oh, you'll lose all the time.
What? I won last time.
Is there a tic-tac-toe?
No.
No. I gotta mute myself a second, guys.
Okay.
Hello?
Sir, you're not muted. Sir, you're not muted. I can hear you on Discord. There we go.
Not gonna turn. Wait, am I not muted on?
You're not muted on Discord.
How am I not muted on Discord?
I don't know. I'm gonna mute you on my end though. There we go. I was like, no, you're not muted. I'm chilling on your roof. Have fun. It's ice skating. Oh, it did not like that I did that. Okay, let's see. Rock, paper, scissors, dice. There we go. Get to spin it. I don't know why it's so blurry looking close up. I don't think it likes it. There we go. And then my mini mart that I'm building here. I love this mini mart idea. I don't know if this is too small though. So once we start getting this stuff into the shop, we'll get to see if it's actually big enough. And then I have a library over here too, which has all the collectible books I've gotten so far. Although I feel like I'm missing one. I don't know why I only have 5. The Sirs is up here. This is Sir's book, if you guys want to ever read it. It's riveting. Absolutely riveting. Maybe it's on my floating island, or not my floating island. Don't know why I'm thinking of Disney Dreamlight Valley, guys. Probably because I am very upset with that game. Maybe. Alright, let's see. Let's see where I put this book. I probably should bulldoze this area. But my collectibles are in here, so I have to figure out what to do with that. Is it in here? Is it in Sir's room? No? Is it reading literature? No? Well, I have an extra sink for him now. Where did I leave this book at? I'm pretty sure I bought 6 books total. Yeah, this whole area is gonna get bulldozed here, though. 120 gold. I forgot how much it was to, like, get that back like that. Oh, I know where it's at. It's over here. Forgot. I forgot that I put these in
Well,
my
I guess
house.
my audio source on Discord is getting picked up from somewhere else then. Interesting. Where is it coming from?
Yeah, you were like, I'm gonna mute myself, and then I was like, I still hear you talking, and I was like, no!
I have no idea where Discord is picking up my audio from.
Like, I could hear wifey and everything. I was like, no.
No, that was my mom.
Oh, was your mom?
Yeah, that was my mom.
You know what? You sound much better now.
Yeah, because I just swapped it over to my microphone. I don't know where the audio is getting picked up from.
What? That's what it was. I was like, because like this whole
I have
time
no
it
idea.
sounds like you've been talking like really far away.
Interesting.
And I was like, that's why I said earlier, I was like, are you like really far away somewhere? Could be a controller or headset mic. Oh, that's true.
My controller's not plugged in. My headset doesn't have the mic boom on it. It has to be either. Oh, the webcam I plugged in the back.
Ah.
I wonder. It's probably. You said I was from far, right?
Yeah, you sounded really far away.
It's probably the webcam that I plugged in all the way back on top.
Oh,
It's from back there.
That's probably it.
I didn't bother to check from it. Yep.
That's probably it. Yep.
Well, now we know.
Yep. I got more
Now we
books.
know.
I'm taking it to my library. Your book's in my library, by the way.
Oh, I gotta go see it. Best book ever. If you guys don't have it, then I don't know what you're doing with your life. I'm almost done. I'm trying to wrap up this puzzle.
You're good. I'm like getting my library. I'm adding the rest of the books. I was like, where are my books at? Could not find them for some reason. We definitely could hear you like on stream. It was just very.
Oh, so yeah, because OBS is locked in from my mic, but then Discord was picking up from the webcam that's all the way back there. That was funny. I'm like, you can still hear? I'm like, there's no way. I'm literally muting myself right now. That's funny. Oh shoot. Where's this one coming from? Where's this one at?
Watching quietly from his throne, but even he hums silent night when he thinks he's all
Whenever I fully restart my PC, Discord always selects my webcam as the default audio input source for some reason. Yeah, so is that this webcam that I have all the way back there? I haven't used that webcam in forever. That's why I'm wondering when I connected it, it probably just like, it's like, oh, you have a new audio source. Let's use that. Yeah.
You know, you can go into your settings, like in your computer settings, and go to microphone and actually make it to where it doesn't allow that to be used as a microphone source at all. And so it won't swap over or ask you for it anymore.
Yeah, I'll have to do that. Like I said, I haven't used that webcam in forever, so I didn't even think about checking it.
There you go.
I didn't think about it.
Like general knowledge of not general knowledge, like notifying y'all in case you had that issue, because I definitely had that issue. Let's see.
And I've never used my camera as my
Forest.
Yeah, so yeah, like Lon said, it's definitely a setting on your PC, because I've swapped my stuff over to make sure it picks up my microphone automatically, but I haven't used that webcam in, like I said, forever. So I was like, oh look, new toy. Let's use this now.
Oh, crap. Miranda, are you still doing that cooking party, dear? I might be a little late to the game, unfortunately. Oh, and if anybody needs their garden watered, let me know. I will come water. Oh, my music is actually...
There we go. Okay.
Mm.
I was about to flip my table over. All right. Did all the little blue circle, the green circles on the puzzle.
Nice, nice,
thing.
nice. I need to go get...
Gosh, I'm almost still 1,000 points from finishing it. All right. We're going to the cooking party. Who's here? Who's in my house? Who that? Who there?
There's... Oh, Miranda is plot 11.
Who's artsy dog person?
Hmm?
Who's artsy dog person?
Mm-hmm. Artsy dog person? I mean... I'd have to look. And are they in our town currently?
Yeah, yeah.
Let's see.
Forest Guardian.
Forest? Oh.
Hi.
I need to go find the gardening guy because
Okay.
he has some seeds that I need.
Oh, I don't have a dance emo. I need to get one.
Hey.
Oh. I give my old cam to my kid. She doesn't use it. She just has it on her setup. She feels fancy. I have a new fancy cam. I don't know how to utilize. Ooh, which one do you have? I ordered since you never replied, by the way.
I'm sorry.
I ordered the 4K one.
Oh, you did? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
Because I didn't know which one do you have?
I have the 4K one.
Yeah. Okay, so I had the face cam, and I was like, well, I don't know if that's the one you have or you have the 4K. That's why I was going back to your VOD to look at like the quality stuff. And I'm like, man, that looks really good. So I went ahead and got the 4K. Should be here tomorrow.
It's slightly intimidating though.
Why?
It's like so good that
Too
your
detailed?
face is like, oh, wait a minute.
Oh no.
Too much.
Oh, it's fine. I have a helmet, so we're good.
Yeah, when do you don't ever really show your face. So what are you
That
talking
is true.
about? Nobody needs to see the pores on your face.
That is true. I don't gotta worry about wiping my nose or anything.
Yeah, you don't have people redeeming mustaches and nose cams on you. You don't have to worry about that.
Too funny.
Alright, I'm gonna do a session of watering. Be prepared.
Nobody's here. Where did you all go?
I'm over at Miranda's house.
Are you all
Watering.
doing the cooking part? Oh.
I'm not. I mean, I don't think the cooking party is happening right now.
Oh, okay, okay.
Miranda's AFK.
Alpha man.
Oh,
Mine has wide lens
cute.
and I can filters, but don't know how to use it. Okay. Scanty, do you use you're on OBS when you stream, right? With OBS and stuff, you can add like filters and whatnot.
For the come back. It's okay.
Yeah, you can add
I
filters.
was gonna
and
go
whatnot.
watering. I was
I
gonna
don't
go
have
watering
mine
around.
on right now, but it's gonna point to my hands anyways. But yeah, like fisheye lens and all that stuff.
Hold on.
Yeah, you can do that with OBS.
So for the tomatoes, you have to go buy tomato seeds from Blanc. And they grow really quickly. They grow about 15 minutes.
Oh, this is the pink shower. Darn it.
It's better
already
than
have
a
a
yellow
pink
shower. Or a golden
No, it's
shower.
not. Yellow one would have been better.
Where's your flowers, dear? Let me see. I'm at my house? Okay, perfect.
So,
Miranda's cars. Oh my goodness.
I guess I gotta move all the food.
I'm being nosy.
I'm at my house. All right. Yeah, I don't know anything about filters. I did look up filters
Miranda, do you not
for
have
my mic,
flowers?
for my background. You'll have to download NVIDIA Broadcast, and OBS will pick
Those
up
are
the filters from
yours.
that. So is there going to be a cooking party or no? I'm trying to figure out if I need to grab all my food.
Miranda, are you still going to host a cooking party? Or is,
If not, it's
or
okay.
is that
I just
offer
want
have
to-
passed?
I just need to know what I'm going to grab.
I know it was offered like 30 minutes ago. No one has said anything about wanting to join. I know we're a little slow. Okay, she's having the cooking party, so I'm gonna go over
Okay. Let me
and cook all my mushrooms and
grab
my jelly.
all my food. I'll just cook everything I got.
I'm watering. I'm Snorty's house. Oh my goodness, Snorty.
Does Snorty do something to her house?
She has the cars. One that she just promptly
ones?
took. She has the Fluttershy, and then what is that one? Not Rainbow Dash. It's the
Nice.
purple one. It's the purple. Forgot what the purple one was. Not Pinkie Pie.
Oh, I need a pink laptop. Grab that. I do Miranda, but I'm low on ingredients because I had a staircase scenario that ate my lunch.
Oh, what?
What? Grammy, I'm a little.
I'm a little concerned.
I don't.
Perplexed.
Yeah. I'm flabbergasted. I don't know. I don't even know what to think on that one. I had a loud ADHD kiddo with sensory issues, so I had to figure out mic. Oh, okay, yeah, the mic filters definitely are very, very handy. I'm just carrying everything. I have like 500 of almost like all the stuff I need to buy from the shop.
I'm just watering.
Coffee.
I'm watering. As soon
Ooh,
as
the
Sarah's
special
done.
sugars. I could do those.
Oh yeah, you could definitely do those.
Okay.
Sorry, I was carrying all my stuff. I gotta store some stuff to make some space now. Let's see. I have only spot for 10 items. So let's
You're gonna
store.
have to fix that.
Yeah, I'm storing stuff.
You got flowers now? Okay, I'm gonna come back and water them, dear. Well, I'm gonna come over there
Oh.
anyways for the cooking party, so just gonna knock it all out.
I don't have a lot of fish. Oh well.
I think I got all these watered. If you are in the server, I do kindly ask that you help your neighbors. This is a cute build. Oh, the rooms are color themed. Aw, cute. Whoa, that. Ugh. There we go. This
What
is
is
a
low?
pretty house.
What is that?
Even do that,
Okay,
I'd be
next to
level
the
9
house.
already for gardening. Yeah, I just started doing gardening. I literally, if I'm rocking, I'm AFK. That's so freaking cute. This is Grammy's house. This has to be Grammy's house. What in the world? Grammy, this is adorable. It's like so cute. You have to see it for yourself. It's really cute. Grammy has been grinding on this game.
Yeah.
This is crazy. I like this idea.
All right, sorry. I got 40 spots. I think we're good.
Oh, this kitchen's adorable. Grammy. I've
Yeah,
only been playing
sometimes
for like
I
3
get
days, so I don't know
quieter.
much.
Hmm.
It's okay.
I'd have to see. I'd really have to see. What lot are we in?
What?
Where are we? Where's the
Lot 11 is going to be the cooking party lot.
lot 11?
Grammy is. This is cute. Grammy put like a whole bunch of random stuff in the garage.
David, welcome in.
Like you would. Jesus. Can't do that without warnings.
Hey David, we are playing in a private server. If you're wanting to join, I think we have some
Oh, it's ice
some open
skating.
spots.
Cute. All right, I'm gonna go water Grammys, and then I'm gonna go over to Miranda's lot. I'm
Hey, is
trying.
this Snorty's house? Whose house is this?
What's
It's not Snorty. Oh, this is Imprints. I was confused for a second. The hell?
Oh, gotta go over here. I'm coming, Miranda. Damn, Grammy.
Yep, I'm on my way. Just making sure everybody knows.
Jeez. Holy crap, sir. You have to see her house.
I'm swinging by. I'm swinging by.
Oh my freaking goodness. She has like all the large tanks and everything. And the vivariums and stuff.
Well, Grammy's been dropping some money.
Well, I mean, some of that's like
Wait, is
wishing
this Grammy's
star.
house?
Yes. This is Grammy's house, sir.
What?
Yeah, the woman has been
Grammy, last time I was
grinding.
here, this was not like this.
She is grinding.
If I'm rocking, I'm AFK.
It's pretty cute. That should be a sticker,
Whoa.
honestly.
Yeah.
I think that's a cute sticker idea. Yeah, I need to go upstairs
Or a shirt.
because that is crazy.
Or sure, when you're gonna go take a nap in a rocking chair.
Mm-hmm. This house is crazy.
Oh, you're stuck at work. I'm sorry to hear that, dude.
Look at the fish
Grammy,
area.
this is impressive.
Yeah, look at this. This is crazy. Oh my goodness.
That is pretty neat.
I like this. I like the symmetry. And the tank color matching too.
Oh,
is
and the
very-
bugs are back here.
Very
Okay.
pleasing.
I just used another pre-build and gave up. It's nothing wrong with that either.
Hey, pre-builds are perfectly
Nothing wrong
fine.
with that
That's
either.
why
Some
they're
of them
there.
are actually very impressive.
Yeah, honestly, I've taken some of the ideas from pre-builds to like incorporate them into my builds because I like how a lot
I
of
mean,
them
this
look.
is very.
Get upstairs.
Okay. Oh, up here. There's a staircase right in the middle.
Oh, there's a puzzle room over here. Oh, there's
that.
completed puzzles. Well, there's one puzzle that's not completed.
There's a whole puzzle. Okay, completed, and the little one is not. All right. See, I wanted that TV so bad.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I mean, it's actually, I get it pretty frequently with the pulls.
I don't.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I keep getting repeated stuff. I gotta go back and see if I have enough.
Oh,
for
the
another,
staircase is over here.
another spin. But David, how's work going?
Stop.
Hey, Sabrina as well. Yeah, that's the only thing with those spiral
Cute.
cases. I feel like I get stuck going up. This is really well done. Holy crap!
Mhm.
Oh,
And
gosh,
there's
look at this teddy
more.
bear.
There's more. Yeah, I get stuck on the staircases. Oh, this is cool. You could do like a piano or something up here. This would be fun. A little concert. All right, I'm gonna
Oh,
go to
there's
Miranda's.
more. You can go further upstairs.
Mhm.
Okay. Grammy, this is actually pretty cool.
Yeah, it's
I
really
really
impressive.
like this.
You did a really good job.
Grammy, where's my picture?
-1 point.
Minus 1 point. Minus 1 point.
All right, I'm gonna come over and water some flowers. So what I did for the flowers
Considering that
is
could
I
go-
went and bought like all the colors.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that, dude.
But to complete your collection for your flowers, you actually only need to just pick one of each flower type. You don't have to pick one of every color. If you're not looking to like breed flowers or make them like try to get different colors and you just want to complete the collection, that's literally all you have to do.
Please stand by.
Trying not to slam the cup on the counter. There we go.
All right. Right here. Where? Oh, it's right. Oh, it's right front and center. That is. Oh, Grammys. All right, 10 out of 10. 100%. 10 out of 10. The picture is literally right smack in the middle. Gotta charge my phone. Have left streams up today, but I'll be lurking. Thank you for the lurk, Scanty. Thank you for being here. And if you need help with OBS, please just let me know. I'll help you. It's not a problem with that at all.
Hmm.
In my new pre-built ice got a new pre-built house got a huge kitchen. Nice. Scanty. Grammy. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10.
I'm gonna dance for Miranda. Dance for you.
I did not see it. That's funny. It was right there too. All right. Plot 11. Let's go.
I'm dancing for you, Miranda. Oh, hold on. Oh. I need that dance. I feel so magical.
This is plot 10. This is Snorty's house. All right,
Nice.
rolling up to
I don't have
Plot
anything that
11.
fancy, but I have this.
with all the nice cars. This is so. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little jealous. Why did my car just disappear?
Because she might have a setting where cars other than hers are not allowed on the plot.
Oh, is that a thing you can do?
Mm-hmm. Like when somebody
Oh.
just randomly drives their mini bug into your house and it just leaves it there, yeah, they'll despawn the car.
All the time. Hey, where's the kitchen's at?
I can do the rainbow bouquet. It's back here, sir.
Oh.
In the back.
Oh, got it.
I've got 4 on me, so I can pop one. And we can get to cooking.
Oh, Grammy, that was very nice.
Yes.
Also,
very
place the
lovely.
sugar from Doors. Nice. Oh, I didn't get Doors. Was there a rainbow event going on today?
Yeah, there
I missed
was.
Yeah. Missed it.
Great chicken. We're cooking.
These.
I saw somebody doing like 6 stoves and I got anxiety from watching them.
I can barely handle 3.
It's like, no, please stop. Because it was like in the red by the
I'll
time
be on
they
later.
got it.
Awesome, dude.
I was like, no. Please. Click it. I ran out of grapes. That's gonna be all mushrooms now.
So I'll do this one and swap with blue and purple.
Let me grab these real quick before I start the
Purple.
mushroom rounds. I'm a grape jam cooking apprentice. Nice.
What's the best thing to cook?
The best
money.
thing to cook. Are you talking early, mid, or late level?
Early.
Early leveling.
Or I guess mid.
Well,
I'm level 5 when it comes to cooking.
I'll go through all of them. I'll go through all levels. So early game, the best thing to cook is tomato sauce and grilled mushrooms because tomatoes grow really easy. The seeds are really cheap. They grow quickly. And you can make it from your mixed jam recipe, which is one of the recipes that you get out very early in the game. So tomato sauce, it does a really good job at helping you get that. Leveling it up quickly and getting money. It's not as good as as good of money maker, but it's still a pretty good money maker. If you want to do like mid-level, I would say the fish bagels if you like to fish a lot. Mid-level is going to be more focused for people who it depends on what you like to do in the game. I'm not a huge fisher, but I know that you are. So fish bagels would be a good one. Truffles is a good mid-game. Cheesecake does a pretty good job of it. Lattes are pretty good if you want to like nice, Miranda.
Truffles.
Truffle pie, fish bagel. If you can swing it, like pineapple jam's a pretty good one, but all those take like a really long time and I don't rely on them completely because I will let those grow overnight and those will be more of like a special cooking session. But I won't like strictly just grow pineapples or anything like that. Later cooking game would be grape jam. Grape jams are really good. Later game. Carrot cake's pretty good. What else? If you can swing the steamed king crab, that one gives you quite a bit of money. If you have a lot of crab left over from the winter event, then you can do like that. Boss song's playing. See, I got a lot of grilled mushrooms, so I'm gonna do some grilled mushrooms. Fish bagels are nice, but it is like a combination of you having to grow things and fish and buy ingredients. So that one's kind of like it's a more complicated one. Grilled mushrooms is literally, I go out, I grab mushrooms. I work too much, so it works. True. If you do hoard a lot of stuff, it's pretty good. But I have a tendency to go through a lot of cooking parties and just like burn through all of my supplies pretty quickly.
I'm about to burn through all my truffles.
Oh, don't do that.
Why not?
Oh, like
Said do the truffle thing.
Oh no, like I thought you meant like actually burning it.
No.
Oh no.
Like you just told me to cook them.
I was thinking burnt in a different context. Like you were literally burning.
No,
them.
I can't do 3 here at a time with 2, and it's very stressful.
I was like, don't burn it. I think I might have burnt something or taken it out too soon because I misclicked. Do you have 600 truffles?
Holy crap.
moly.
You're the reason why we don't have any.
Fast and flawless. I wonder what that badge does. What that means. Oh yeah, we're cooking. They see me cooking. They hating. Got this grape jelly and I'm riding dirty. I would say that if you are early game, I would focus more on gathering items that, like, you cook for recipes that you don't need to spend money to get. So, like, having to go and buy milk and coffee, that takes away from your bottom line. Oh, finally, Rainbow Blessing is finally kick in over here. There's a lot of, like, the jellies, all the jellies, other than pineapple and grape, you can just forage for. You don't have to grow anything for that. And if you do, like, a cycle around, like, certain blocks, like, you can get a lot of apples and, berries and mandarins to make jelly out of. And that doesn't cost you anything but your time. Can you believe it's not even 10 yet?
Oh, what?
Yeah, it's 9:49.
Oh, I started a lot soon. I'm like, I feel tired.
That's crazy. I set the private
And
server up for
we were
5
so
hours.
close to finishing the Lego 2.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Maybe I'll just leave. That way you can finish it.
It was I'm just so slow.
I think it's because you talk a lot.
I do.
Comes with the territory.
Yeah. It's a lot of talking, not a lot of Lego going on.
So, sir, I'm talking to Rabbit about something, but thought you might be interested.
Oh, listening.
Potential TwitchCon this year.
Ooh.
Get to meet
What's
all
the
of you.
verdict?
Well, I've
What's the
already
verdict?
met you.
Wow. Never mind, I ain't going.
We were talking through the logistics of it. But hopefully I'll keep you in the
I
loop.
need to start saving money.
I think that's what I'm gonna do for my affiliate anniversary is I'm gonna like put it towards TwitchCon, like all the subs and stuff. It's like a raise towards TwitchCon situation.
It's good to know. Good to know.
Mm-hmm.
I was gonna save money for the Millennium Falcon, but I guess not. It retires this year too.
Oh no, I feel like that's more important.
Yeah. So you got it. You can handle it.
Well, your birthday's coming up pretty soon. Like in
Oh what?
said your birthday's like here in the future.
Oh, that is true.
I feel like we could do like a fundraising event for it.
We'll see.
Not trying to pressure you into like any potential ideas. Just saying.
All right, we'll see. What day is your birthday? It's in July. My birthday's in July.
Yeah, do a fun late fundraising Lego event for your birthday. That would be fun.
I know. Welcome in, me and Bear. Appreciate you being here. Happy Saturday. Hope you're having an awesome weekend.
I'm just here cooking with my purse.
When she said it was coming up, I was thinking you were an awesome March baby. No, I'm an awesomer July baby.
Ew.
Yuck. No. Oh, no, I burned it. No. Gosh darn it.
Don't burn it.
Uh,
I'm a winter baby.
July is the best month for birthdays.
No. Listen,
Yeah.
winter babies are the best.
What?
Winter babies are the best
Why?
because we're stronger, more powerful. We've survived it early on in life. Survived the winter.
Okay.
I mean, if
Whatever
you
you
think,
need to tell
I
yourself.
mean, if you think about it, back in the day, like wintertime.
Back in
was
the day, you sound like you're from the 1800s.
Winter was a pretty hard time to survive as an adult, let alone as a baby. So, we are awesome. Stronger my ass, the summer beauty I goes for. Yes, actually, that's very true. Yes. I was pregnant through summer and I hated it.
Exactly. There you go. Even you know it.
Yeah, well, but still, babies born in winter, we're badass.
Nah.
Yeah. Oh, I'm gonna stop cooking that because now it's taking my truffles as mushrooms, grilled mushrooms. Absolutely not. We're not doing that. Ooh. Okay. Let's see.
Yeah, my birthday's in July. In July.
Which
I'm actually off of work on my birthday.
nice.
Paid by the government.
I have a lot of yellow sugar and a lot of indigo sugar. I can make a couple of cakes out of that. Yellow and indigo. I was hoarding these Rainbow Day sugars and then I realized that I don't need to hoard them.
The which ones?
The rainbow sugars.
The colorful ones?
Mm-hmm. I was just hoarding them for some reason. And I don't.
Oh,
I
you can
don't.
only do those cakes, right?
Yeah, it's only for the cakes.
The roll cake.
Mm-hmm.
Do those sell good?
I don't know, but I'll go find out for you.
Oh.
I thought that
Why
they
not?
used wheat, so I wasn't cooking them, but I just realized it's literally Those 2 sugars, milk, and eggs.
Yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and burn them up then. Those cooking truffles is a little tough.
Tough as in like they go too fast for you?
Yeah, they go pretty fast. See, the cakes are slow, and they only you only have to do the flipping once.
Hmm.
I'm pretty sure that's why the truffle stuff is sells for a lot more. This is a pain in the butt to cook.
I think this is the last round of these, and then I'm going to switch over to the yellow sugar. Okay, let's see.
I can actually probably do all 4 here.
How am I on the indigo sugars? 29. Okay, that's not too bad. Alright, I will work on yellow roll cake.
Ooh, 4 star, nice.
Oh, I didn't realize there was a cake in the oven. So I thought I was putting a cake in and it was actually me taking one out. So photo. The most riveting stream ever, guys. Just us going in circles cooking.
Hey, takes a lot to get this done.
You know, it's truly a grind. I'm glad that the roll cakes are pretty forgiving all the time.
Yep. Yeah, I like doing those.
Hey, listen. It's not my fault that our mod redeemed it.
Good job.
What was that? What do you mean, what was that? What was the best you've ever heard?
Redo.
No. What? I'm a verified yellow roll cake cooking apprentice. Oh snap. What does that mean? What does
Keep
that
telling you that?
mean? Yeah, it's telling me these things. Obtain kitchen clock? What is this? What are these things?
I agree, Embrit.
Subpar at best? That's crazy. Crazy. Bill, stop. We've had this
Oh, he's the one
discussion,
calling.
Bill.
Yep.
We've had this discussion.
Trying to hit you up.
Bruh. Maybe we should go fishing. Should we take a break and go fishing?
I'll be down.
Okay. I'll start it, and we have 9 minutes and 40 seconds to get to it. So I'm gonna go
All right.
sell what I have. And then we can use the rainbow thing to go, like, get the fishing bonus.
Sounds good. That means I gotta stop over my house and deposit.
Deposit? Drop the kids off at the
Yeah.
pool?
Pretty much. Now I gotta return the. Ooh, the tree's right here. I haven't done it yet. The rainbow stuff works for fishing too, right?
Yeah.
Oh hell yeah!
Fishing.
that.
I think it's fishing. I don't know about foraging. I don't think it works for foraging. Albert's just staring at Grammy's house. He's like, this house is crazy. Albert, you're walking through my car. My goodness. All right, let's see. A
Oh, nice.
1-star roll cake is 670 coins. A
Not
2-star is 1K. 3-star is 1.3K. And a 4-star is 2.6.
Not bad at all.
Huh.
Oh, I got a 4-star. Yeah. 2.2K. Let's see.
It looks
The
like
pink one is the red one is 2.2. It's 2,680.
yeah, the colors are different prices. Interesting.
And the blue one, yeah, the blue one is the same. That is a 3-star truffle is 1,800.
Oh wow. Holy moly, I'm about to get like 100K here. Maybe? Nope. 78K total for everything I cooked. All my jams and stuff. I was jamming.
I didn't cook as much. I got 56.9.
I think I'm gonna cook some more roll cakes. I did not realize that they sell that well.
Yeah, that is good. That is very good.
Yeah, 86K for
56, almost 57K
Dang.
for what? 10 minutes?
Mhm.
That's not bad.
Yeah, that's pretty good. The
I
roll
am very
cakes
impressed
might
with
be
that.
like the
new
sleeper.
meta.
Yeah,
Yeah.
the sleeper recipe.
All right, I need to go to my house and deposit.
Okay.
Drop some stuff off before we go fishing so I can have space.
All right, we're heading to fishing.
Yeah,
guys.
the roll cakes are the way to go. How much
Mhm.
space do I already have in my bag? Do I need to? Oh, I got plenty of space in my bag. We're good. I'm 88 out of 130. I'm not gonna catch 40 different fishes.
All right, I'm gonna send out invites. Oh, Kitty's still doing the still doing whatever it is.
All right, guys,
Oh, not on there.
ladies and gents, let's go fishing.
We're going fishing.
I teleported to the wrong spot, didn't I? I did.
You're crazy.
I did. I completely teleported to the wrong spot. Where's Bill? He's down there.
Hey-o.
You know what? We're just gonna drive.
You always
Already
gotta be
wasted
difficult,
200 gold.
don't you? Yeah, just
I
be
already wasted
difficult.
200 gold.
Oh, I need to have some mushrooms while we're down here. While I'm waiting for everybody. Grab some mushrooms. Cause I got none in my bag.
All right, guys, let's go fishing. We're here.
No, you're not.
I'm right here. I'm just getting mushrooms while I walk down.
Mm-hmm.
Nobody else is here.
Oh, we're here. We're just getting mushrooms because we were waiting for you to walk down.
You ain't waiting for me.
There we go. We got some mushrooms. Okay.
I didn't get an invite, by the way.
It says you were invited. Just go stand on the boat and then apply to join. You probably rejected it. That's probably why.
Oh, I'm ready. We're here. Let's see. Do I got my stuff? I'm gonna drop a repair thing.
Thanks.
I really need it for this one.
Forrest. Oh, you look adorable.
She's lying.
That's not nice.
You look
Hi.
beautiful.
Grammy, come on. Go. Oh, perfect. Perfect. I wasn't sure if it was gonna like automatically add her. Okay.
I still gotta repair another thing, so probably drop one more. I got like 40 something of them, 45.
I
of them.
know, they throw repair kits at us like they're candy. They're like, here you go.
Yeah.
Like every apology, like every update, every maintenance, it's like
They don't throw the good ones though. They throw like the little 15-second ones.
Alright. Everybody all set. Are you getting
I
a
think
thumbs
we're
up?
ready.
Thumbs up, everybody. Good to go? Ready?
Let's do it.
Okay. Sweet. Thank you for the thumbs up. Appreciate you. Alright. Don't throw anything down because we're about to start. And it will not come with us. Oh.
Yep. I learned that the hard way.
Oh, it's Bill's. It's Bill's, so we have to wait the 3 minutes.
Oh my god, I'm out of here.
Oh my gosh.
Gotta get some more mushrooms.
I'm on top of the boat. Capitan. You can, like, kind of climb this ladder a little bit. There we go.
Any more mushrooms around here? Oh, right here.
We can do dance off. And Brit's
I need to
setting
get a
off
dancing emote.
fireworks.
I don't have one.
Oh yeah, well while we're waiting for just make sure you're on the boat before it starts because Bill don't give a F.
Nope.
He will start it without you. So
That's
we
a
can do a
fact.
couple of mushroom runs while we wait for it to count down.
You got 2.5 minutes.
Mm-hmm. Did one of the boats head out already? I think Imbrit's trying to set our boat on fire.
I don't blame him.
No, never. Like, absolutely not.
my feet
That's
the others.
fireworks.
Alright, 1 minute, 40 seconds.
Mm-hmm. I'm trying not to venture too far, but I do need some mushrooms. Trying to take advantage of this downtime. I'm hoping to
Oh, I didn't bring my, dang it, the stuff for the fishing.
you can talk
The
to
the tails and whatnot.
Oh, Bill
the
doesn't
mermaid
have
tail?
them. Dang it! Yeah, it's Vanya that has them.
Yeah. Alright guys, 1 minute.
Hey, I'm getting to the
Start
boat.
making your way back.
I'm getting to the boat.
We're missing one person. Oh,
Nope, everybody's here.
Captain. Alright.
I'm dancing.
Oh, bird pictures if you need them. Standing right there. Alright, here we go. I do not have any mermaid tails at all. Darn.
I don't either. We're just fishing
Yep.
for the vibes, okay?
Yeah. I got some chub.
Yeah. Alright, here we go. Let's hope there's some good stuff. We're probably gonna have to spread out though, so we don't.
Yeah.
There we go.
I heard a mermaid tail go off.
If we pop bubbles, we can definitely help get like bonus stuff. I'm gonna keep my volume up so I can hear a bubble come up. haven't caught a goldfish, and apparently they're supposed to show up, I think, on rainbow days, but I still have not found them.
A goldfish?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. I didn't know that was a thing.
Yep. Oh, bubbles. Bubbles.
Got it?
I'm jumping for it. There we go. I like how I'm so strong on fishing one-handed. Put like one hand out there. Probably would be easier to catch fish if I wasn't fishing them.
Yep. Agree. There's plenty of fish on this side.
For plenty of efficiency, sir.
Yeah. Oh, Jesus.
Hi, Brat Cat. Welcome in, dear. A European lobster. I've never gotten one of these before. Awesome.
You never had one of those before?
Nope.
You don't go fishing much, do you?
I don't. Actually, thank you for pointing that out. I'm trying to get this fish.
I got a European fishing, flying, whatever squid.
Oh. I haven't gotten that one either. Is that like a goldfish? Like a gold?
No, it's a squid. It's just a squid.
No, like a gold colored fish. Like a
No, it's just a
shadow.
regular one.
What?
Nurse hound. What are these? I just gotten some really cool fishes here.
Oh yeah, I got that one earlier. Oh, there's a bubble. There's a bubble.
Yeah, I want to display quite a few of them, so I'm gonna have to get another tank.
Yeah, I think after I'm done
The large
getting
ones.
stuff from the shop, I'm gonna have to use my wishing stars for the tanks.
It's 200.
Yeah, it's a lot.
200. Oh my, that I feel like the tank they could have done a little better.
I feel like it
Because
should.
you can only display you can only display one large fish in it.
Hmm.
At least like 2 of them.
Yeah, I feel like the tanks are too dang expensive.
Yeah.
Like they should not be that expensive.
Nope, not at all. I agree.
Like this hobby ain't that crazy to be pulling numbers like.
Oh, was that it? Wait, it froze.
Oh, the hell?
Oh, that was it?
That was weird.
Darn.
How it froze like that. It was like a tease.
Yeah.
You want me to
Dang,
zoom?
I thought we were gonna get some more.
I need to zoom. Thank you for the zoom. I appreciate it. Oh, hi, Hoss. I was playing Dreamlight Valley on PS4 till game crashed. Now trying to see if it's going to try again or find a new game or fall asleep. Honestly, listen. My thoughts on Disney Dreamlight Valley right now is the game has gone to shit. It has crapped the bed. And until they fix all those bugs, I really am only getting on there to do my Dream Snap, and that's it. Like, I'll go finish off the Star Path, and that's what I'll focus on, but I'm not going to do anything else. It's just Snorty.
Ah, look at this
Oh,
team.
cute.
We're gonna do great.
Hi, Sparkles. Sparkles, we're on a private server if you want to join us, beautiful.
We still got the thing. You guys want to run another one, or?
Okay.
Wow,
I got a new graphics card. Nice. Which one?
26 minutes left. That's crazy. Well, if we run another
Yeah.
one, you have to pay him. So
Oh, you got banned? How much is it?
Like 2,000 gold.
I'll do it. I don't care.
Okay, I'm gonna go grab some mushrooms.
Oh, but I need to grab the. I want to grab my tail fit my
Your mermaid tails.
mermaid. Yeah.
Yeah, I'll.
Sorry, we don't have to.
I'll go. I'm trying to figure out what's more profitable, picking out the rest of the cape rolls,
Or what?
or
What
like
are the options?
going fishing.
I do fishing more just for the proficiency and whatnot, and collecting the fish.
True. All right, let me
That's what I
go
like the most.
talk to what's his face. Where's
My house. Where's my house?
Literally past the bus stop. That's crazy. Oh. Inbred's standing in your car.
Oh, I see him sitting on mine.
He was standing in your standing from my view. I can pay if you guys want to do it again. I have like 1 million coins.
I bet, because Ember doesn't spend anything.
He really doesn't. Like, I'm just like, every time he's like giving us this like 400k, and I'm like, what? Oh my god. Probably like some million something now. I wouldn't be
He has
surprised.
to be over 1 million.
Yeah.
He's a hardtopia millionaire.
He really is. He's like the sleeper millionaire. He's the you don't know it until like too late. Anya.
Just cook. Alright, do this. Out of here, the squid. I didn't really catch any interesting fish on this one. But I will say that fish tail, I mean, mermaid tail, and the mermaid's perfume. It's another one.
I bought 3 mermaid tails and 2 mermaid fumes. Like we can get a whole bunch of the medium and small tanks, but we can't get. We can only get 1 large fish tank for each color.
Yeah,
That's crazy.
it is.
Vanya, you don't have to be so close, dear. My goodness.
All the Frost Store frosty fishes.
Mm-hmm.
Should I save them or just go ahead and
I would say
sell 'em?
1 of each, and then keep the crabs because you can actually use the giant crabs towards the steamed crab recipe and get lots of gold from that.
Okay. I'm ready for another one if you guys want to do another one.
Yep, I'm heading over there now. Hi, Lydia. Happy Saturday. I'm changing up gremlin poses.
Somebody joined the town.
Maybe Sparkles? I'm sitting on 10 rainbow bouquets. My goodness.
Wow.
That's crazy. I have... Hi.
That was an entrance.
I know when Sparkles enters the VC. For sure.
That's funny.
No subtle entrance whatsoever.
Was that like automatically?
Why
Like
would I? It's the alert sounds through Discord.
Mm-hmm.
that is funny.
I like it though because I know who was joining and I don't have to go look or wait for them to talk. I'm like, yeah,
No, I know who it is.
yep. I feel like I should
They
get
need
like
to
a
keep-
really messed up one for mine.
That would be hilarious.
All right, are we doing the sea fishing event?
Yep, I'm over here. I'm over
All right, sea fishing event.
just grabbing some mushrooms.
Demon Cat, why are you making love faces at me?
Let's do boat number 2 this time.
Demon Cat at least staying out of the
Confirm.
fish tank.
For right now.
All right, fishing boat number 2.
That's not promised for extended periods of time.
It's this one, right?
No one likes to
Which one's number
cook.
2?
Oh my gosh. I
Wait, did it not start it?
I haven't gotten an invite.
Ooh.
No.
Bill, get your
Wow,
shit
I
together.
thought we did
man.
it. Did I do something wrong? Confirm. Sorry, it's not sea fishing event time right now.
What? Is it too late? Let me try.
Yeah.
If
Well, let me do
it's
it.
too late.
Too late in the day? The hell did he just do? He just slapped his face. He slapped his face a few times.
Nope, it's doing the same thing for me. It's too late in the day. I guess that was like the last call kind of situation.
Oh, that sucks.
Time to go cook. I think we
I
got our
guess
answer.
so.
Time to go cook.
We got our answer, sir.
Let him cook. Let him cook.
We are cooking. I need to drink some water.
Dang, that sucks.
I haven't touched this game since I started playing Star Sand Island.
Really?
Yeah, I haven't touched this.
We're going back to plot 11.
Yep. Plot 11.
Alright.
Come on, Vamonos. Everybody, let's go. And to say thank you, make sure you water her flowers in pots.
Oh. Weeds everywhere.
Listen here, sir.
Minus.
Okay, I'm gonna cook cakes for. Let's see, I can do the light blue now. Yeah, I can do light blue. I'll bring through a couple of those. Light blue. Blue roll cake.
They're also very easy to cook.
Mm-hmm.
I like those.
That's okay, Grammy. There'll be another one.
Sufficient materials. Oh, I only have one light blue one left. All right, so let's move on to the red one.
I only have like one pink sugar. I'm so sad.
I have one blue left.
Oh no.
I wonder if you can mix and match.
For
Or
the
that would probably be just original.
yeah, it would be original.
It kind of sucks about the penguin stoves.
Yeah, I'm like, I think it's really silly that
Yeah.
we can't have those, like, use those afterwards. It's not like it just
Yeah.
stops working.
At least like let us cook normal stuff in them.
Yeah. Something. It's purely decoration now.
Yeah. Oh, lame.
Mm-hmm.
It's
People-
fine. This game is free, so we can't complain.
True. People
Sure.
were having good ideas about, like, letting us be able to disassemble them for the material. So we
Oh.
could use that for house building.
That would be nice.
You can buy the penguin material in the premium shop, but like it's like I don't want to spend my blue hearts for that if I can help it. I'm actually gonna start disassembling.
Thank you
one of
very
my
much, sir.
things
You're a gentleman and a scholar.
as close to what I made for you as possible. What does that mean, Mama? What? Oh Lord, did you DM me a mustache to draw on my face?
Oh no.
Nice.
No.
Good job.
No, she didn't. Okay.
Good luck.
I was like, wait a minute. Because every time she asks for a mustache, she gives me like a reference material. I'm like, what?
I mean,
Alright. What mustache are you having me draw on my face? Oh. Oh, I see.
Dude, I
Your
burned the cake. I
stream.
burned the cake. Ooh, I got it. Oh.
Yes. You want me to draw that on my face? Listen, I don't
All
live,
four came out at the same
live,
time.
laugh, love
What
in
do
the
you-
Garden of Dickory, ma'am.
like, how intense is this mustache?
It's keen.
Oh, all right. Well, good luck for you. Better use than me.
I'm gonna do my best. It's gonna look really weird though. I said as close as possible. Thankfully, it's not gonna be recognizable. A thick, bushy one,
Nice.
ma'am. Okay.
I think we need another zoom up after this.
Somebody's got their finger hovering over it.
If somebody doesn't, I will.
Wait, what are we doing?
Zooming on Lon's new mustache that she's gonna have.
Got y'all. Where is it?
Oh, not done. Purple's mustache.
It's a bit slender. How do I
Oh,
get the
no.
sparks? That's from an item that you can get from the current gotcha. Listen, I'm trying to do this like in my phone camera, and it's not very accurate.
That's why I can't do my makeup with my phone camera. At least that's why I don't do it with my phone camera.
Well, erase it and redo it.
Okay.
I don't.
Oh, cheesecakes. We can do cheesecakes. Do those sell pretty good?
Yeah, they do.
How
Yeah,
bad
could
are they
be.
to cook?
Lon, your character should have put a mustache on too.
Yeah. I should like wear a mustache on my character because I'm pretty much wearing one all the time. All right.
Might as well. Did I not grab the wheat out of my... I didn't. You silly goose.
You enjoying this?
Wait, what is...
It looks great, Lon. I love the look.
It's a slender one. I've never done this ever again. Oh my god, I have a Sonic sticker on the back.
It looks great.
Thanks. Thank you. I didn't realize I had a Sonic sticker on the back of my arm this whole
Wait,
time.
wait. Now we're looking. You gotta do that model thing again.
What?
Hold on.
You gotta show us again.
Yeah. I like it. Good.
Guys, just in case, Windows Shift S.
Did you?
Oh god.
I'm not
Can
posting
we put a
this VOD.
screenshot?
This VOD
No,
is
you
officially
need-
deleted for this reason.
You could always just download. Oh, I have to show you how to down. I forgot. I had to show you how to do that. You could just cut it out. 'Cause once you're zoomed back out, no one's gonna be able to tell.
This is what you wanted? This is what you wanted. This is what you wanted. Thanks. We're going to small cam. Thanks, Mama. Glorious. I appreciate you. I'm going back to cooking now. The disrespect. The amount of disrespect. Thanks for the eye to eye. I appreciate it. I'm great as a basketball. Ignore the mustache.
Oh, I hope somebody raised right now. That'd be awesome.
My character looks good with green hair. Now, could I personally pull off green hair? Probably not.
I don't know. I'm kind of like sticking to like the bunny ears, whatever matches my bunny and elf ears. And, you know, green hair with elf ears would be really cute. Some cookery, village type vibes. Kokiri. Is it kokiri or kokiri?
Ooh. Like, give me. Hand it over, buddy pal.
Somebody started cooking over in one of these cooking session areas, unless I can't see them.
That was Embrit. I think he just
Okay.
left.
He just vamoosed out of there?
I'm pretty sure he did, yeah.
You just... If you collect it for him, I think it'll send it to his inbox.
Who wants to make a grocery store? Why is Bob selling stuff to make a grocery store?
You have the grocery store stuff?
Yeah,
I'm
so my
so
Bob.
freaking jealous.
Why
I
would you want
want
a
it.
grocery store?
I want the grocery store. I'm making one in my mini mall. You gotta come see it.
You would.
You have to come see the mini mall. It's pretty funny.
Should I buy this stuff?
I have like a giant trampoline. I finally researched and had enough stars to get a giant trampoline. Yeah, somebody used Mustachio Question and the Zoom. I feel like I'm being abused.
You're not being abused. You set yourself up for it.
Listen,
You did.
just because it's there doesn't mean you have to request very specific.
Oh, that is nice.
I
That's
want
big.
that. I want
That's huge. That's a lot bigger than what I thought it was gonna be.
And then you put it in front of me and you tease me.
Now I'm just gonna
do
buy it
like
'cause
to
you
see
want it.
I want it so
That is actually
bad.
really cool. That is. Yeah, you need to get that. That's a lot bigger than what I thought it was gonna be.
I love little roll cakes like
There's
this.
an ice cream. Why? Why?
This is
Why do we need that?
You need
I
it
don't
all.
understand that.
You need it all. This is legit reminds me of Japan because they had this type of stuff in their Family Mart, and I was just like, the sandwiches, amazing, so good.
Wait, can I actually push the cart around?
I don't think so. I have one in
Because
my
then
house.
it's not worth it.
If you can come,
We should be able to drive the carts like a car.
I didn't mean to use my truffles. I ran out of mushrooms and I started using my truffles again. Just got it today. I freaking want it. The green is really cute. I might actually order the green set.
Mine's in pink.
I will troll another way to Discord. What are you gonna post in Discord? Oh no. I see all the DDLV designs too. I'm pretty excited about like the hero one. I'm not excited to play the game, I'm excited about the theme.
For what?
For Disney Dreamlight Valley. Oh, Tia's in the
Oh,
server. Yay! Bunny snacks.
Did you not do your dream snap yet?
I did. I did it on Thursday actually.
Oh yeah, I was. Oh yeah, no, I was in your stream. Never mind.
Oh jeez, it's so loud when you're not clicked in. Inbrit,
Yeah, I was.
he sent your stuff to your mailbox. He picked it up for you. You just gotta check your mail.
I ran out of wheat.
Yeah.
Wow. Yep. That's common.
What were you saying, Sparkles?
Oh,
I don't remember what I was gonna say. Shit.
Oh, Albert's coming around the corner, guys. He'll be here probably in like 3 minutes.
So they need to give me access to my remote because I keep going to reach for my remote on my desk, and they need to give it to me.
Who knows? Oh no.
Are you impatiently waiting for me over here, sir?
Ooh, the blue roll cake 5-star is 4.5k.
Wow.
That's not bad.
Are you on what's his face already?
I mean, I'm not on his face, but I am standing next to him.
I was gonna say something. You're on stream.
They really like to stand close to you in this game.
Oh yeah. I mean, I don't mind it with Blanc and Vanya, but everybody else, I'm kind of like, can you back up?
Like, I understand why they gotta be so in your face.
Wait, where is he?
I have so many of these
Over here.
freaking vanities. I'm gonna sell one. So
What
many.
vanity?
The pink vanities. So
I
many.
think I'm gonna sell the shower. Like the third one I got. All right, cakes. Ooh. Let's see.
Got a good amount of fish. Sweet. Oh,
Find Peter Parker.
Great, it's just some random guy.
with a dick drawn on their face, apparently.
It's not your worst look.
That's true.
What was
It's
my
definitely
worst
getting worse
look?
I don't know. I'm trying to make you feel better, okay?
I was like, oh,
It could have been worse.
Oh,
You're just on the internet.
that's why that spot's not getting posted. I was like, what have I done?
I'm trying to make you feel better, okay?
But now I'm thinking about what worst look have I displayed on.
I don't know.
What would outdo a bean stash? I'm just trying to understand what am I done that is outdo.
I don't know. I don't know, but
I want this so bad. Give me.
It probably could be worse.
Thank you, burritos.
Maybe.
Thank you. I appreciate the Spider-Man.
Crap, I didn't sell 2 things.
Oh, this is want me to go
Me
building.
room.
Let's think about that.
Why is there onions on a peanut butter sandwich? That is gross. Burritos
That
and
is-
basketball.
Hey, what?
That is
not cool.
disgusting.
Who's doing that?
Burritos and basketball posted. He likes to post really disturbing imagery in my meme
Nice.
room of Discord, and this most recent entry is peanut butter spread on both slices of bread, and then white onions cut up, diced,
That's
frosted.
not.
Very nice.
That's not cute at
I
all.
can imagine the breath on that.
That would no. You come up to me and breathe that in my face. I gotta go. You're gonna A, get inside the head, and then B, I'm running away from you and never talking to you again.
I honestly, that's one thing I can't do. I can't do onion breath.
Yeah.
I can't do onion breath now. Like, I'm sorry, but nope, not right now.
We had a guy walk into work Friday, and we had like where we see customers is in like a completely like side room from the main area, and you could literally taste his cologne down the hallway. I was like, that is
Oh,
too
that.
much. Like, you have put way too much on your body to the point where I can taste it at my desk, and it's a good 20 feet away.
Question: how old roughly was this person?
I believe he was like 60s or 70s.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
usually the age they start doing that.
I'm like, what?
My dad does
Unfortunately.
does that sometimes. After he gets out of the shower, I'm like, dude, you bathe with cologne? Like, that is too much. It's like pungent, and it like just takes the whole house. I'm like, no.
Yeah. We were joking about how we're pretty sure like he's the person keeping that company alive. Trying to make sure I don't cook this guy. Don't cook him.
I need to plant some weeds. I ran off with it.
Yeah.
Ran out of it. Yeah.
Trying to take advantage of this luck as much as
I
possible.
thought it was done. Is it not done? Oh, it's not done yet.
Nope.
Does it count for planting?
For what?
Does it count for planting like plants and stuff?
I
or
think
no?
it counts for watering. Like, it might count for watering. It might like. It's very rare, but it might do like a special blessing effect. Level 10 cooking? Hell yeah! Awesome.
You're cheating.
Not me, Miranda.
Oh, you're cheating.
Not cheating.
Oh, Miranda is.
Somebody's cheating.
Someone's
Somebody is. There's just no other explanation.
I forget I have this game on my phone.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm always. Like, I'll be on
know.
it, and then Sir will run up on me, and he's like, "Hi." I'm like, "Oh, hi."
You're here.
Also, what Lon didn't explain is that I'm an AA level troll. In a fun way, though, nothing inappropriate or hurtful. I feel like some of the things that you do post are inappropriate. Like, they are abusing food and Pop-Tarts and all sorts of things.
I'm afraid to ask now.
Burritos and basketball. He posts in our the meme Discord, and he'll post like really messed up things.
How is
Food.
somebody abusing Pop-Tarts?
How you make apple pie? Let me look at the recipe real quick. Let's see. Apple pie.
They got it.
trying to remember. Actually, I got it perfect. Okay, nothing hurtful. Let's see. What has he posted in there? Tomato ice cream. That's what he's posted in there. He's posted salt and pepper Pop-Tarts.
What?
How do you make a salt?
He's posted, what else? He's posted so many things in here.
I would say those are hurtful.
Those are pretty hurtful. Took a break there posting.
Interesting.
Let's see.
That's brand of chaos. I never thought would happen.
It's funny. He's actually posted the salt and pepper Pop-Tarts twice. Sticky Men.
Repeat
for Spider-Man Gotcha. Hi, welcome in.
Guys.
How are you doing, Tori?
Oh, gosh, dang. Sorry, I gotta mute myself for a second.
If I pronounce your name wrong, Tori, please let me know. I don't mind being corrected. I do fuck things up.
All the time, we know. All the time. Alright. Where are we now?
I have so many memes saved. I probably posted something twice without realizing it. Yeah, the tomato ice cream one is the worst in my opinion. Actually, you know what? The peanut butter onion one is the worst now. Tomato ice cream was there, but now it's not. I'm good. I see you are part of the Celeb Show stream team. I am. We are a good friend of the Gooder Celeb. And we
I need to plant a lot of wheat.
We usually stream Disney Dreamlight Valley on Thursdays now. We've gotten into Heartopia to bring the community together more, as we can play with community members. Oh god, I'm gonna burn something. I'm gonna burn something. No! Just
wow,
call me.
You failed.
No, it didn't burn. It didn't burn. Because a lot of people butcher the crap out of my last name. Oh. Well, it's Samsel. Samsel?
Welcome in, Tori. Welcome in.
I don't. Pause. You can't just come in here from the shadows.
She also likes having really weird mustaches too.
Yep, look at the mustache. Zoom into the mustache.
We are an 18+ stream. Let me preface this before I am completely outed. We are 18+. And it is
I just had to add on.
And to be fair, the person who made me draw this mustache on my face was Slev's mod. So
yeah, for context.
Yeah. To be fair.
So in retrospect, is it Slev's fault?
I feel like we should just blame Slev.
I think we should too. I'm here for this.
I'm chaotic and I love this stream. Well, thank you. You know what? We have a lot of fun redeems. Exclamation command's gonna get you a lot of free sounds. If you talk, a lot of the sounds are probably going to. Oh my god! I'm gonna burn it! I'm gonna burn it! I'm gonna burn it! I'm fudge.
That's exactly it. That should be like in all our bios. Hashtag blame Slev.
Yeah. Maybe if we all did that, maybe he'll finally he'll notice. Hi. Thanks for the feet redeem. Sir, when are you gonna finish that Lego build?
Probably tomorrow morning.
Tomorrow morning on stream? You gonna stream it?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Planning on it.
Good.
If I wake up early enough.
Hi, you tabbed. Have a kick-ass stream. That's awesome. Sorry. The combined chat messes me up sometimes.
Oh, Jaylit, thank you. Thank you.
I just be reading, okay? I just be reading.
It's all good.
Sir, you can DM me and say shut up.
Oh, you're perfectly fine. If you didn't say anything, I probably wouldn't have noticed.
And just be chatting. I'm going in circles.
Alright. Oh, we still got more mushrooms. Let's get some more.
I am just cooking up a store. I didn't even realize I had this much that I could cook.
Right to jail, right away.
I'm gonna be out of stuff after this.
See what you did there, Sparkles.
What?
Vaughn doesn't like me
I
in
did
her
nothing.
DMs.
I don't know.
I do like you in my DMs, boss. Hush. I'm gonna burn it. I'm gonna burn it. I'm gonna burn it. Oh my god.
You burned it.
I didn't burn it, but I'm so
Ah.
close. I'm giving myself anxiety. I live life on the edge of a stove. There we go. Hi, Grammy. Welcome to the cooking party. Oh my god, I'm gonna burn this one. Holy stoves. I feel like that's what Grammy's gonna say. Be like, there's so many stoves.
Let's see what we
I
got.
finished the shirt and came by to show. Oh, that's the one you're wearing? Oh, that looks so cool. Let me see. Let me finish cooking and I'll come over there. We're like at the tail end of this rainbow. Okay. Give me a second. I'm almost done cooking. I'm almost done. Oh,
Alright, let's go
that's
sell some
cute.
more stuff.
That's really cute. I like the transition of all the colors. Oh god, I'm almost burning it. I'm just sitting here staring at the shirt and my my tiramisu is about to catch fire. Let me see. Very nice, very nice. Oh, that's cute. That is a lot of patterning. Like, that's a lot of work there, Grammy. I'm sorry, I'm like all up in your face. Had to have something to match the boots. Oh. Ah, I see the boots. I like the corduroy pants. Those are cute. Those are adorable. We only have 4 minutes left on the blessing, guys. Can't unclick it. Oh god, I can't unclick the blessing. It's stuck on my screen now. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna try to knock out a couple tiramisus and then I think I will be good on the cooking.
What you got going after the cooking?
Oh, that's a great question. Probably not too much. Oh god, I'm gonna burn it. Because I'll be heading out of here pretty soon.
Yep. Same.
Thank you so much, Grammy. Thanks for stopping by and showing me your shirt. Very nice.
All right.
A lot of work.
All right, I'm gonna start wrapping up. All right. Oh, the boy's a little tired.
I'll be sure to catch your
Thank
stream
you.
in the morning.
Yeah, I don't know what time. Maybe like 9.
Ooh, bright and early.
That's ambitious.
That's gonna be very bright and early for the West Coast folks.
Oh, geez.
You're gonna jack up somebody's stream streak, man, with that one.
Yeah. I have
Somebody's gonna just wake themselves up and do it enough to be there, and then all right, bye. See ya.
Yep. I have to be somewhere. I have to leave the house at 12 o'clock. So, and this took me 4 hours, and I didn't even get halfway through.
Ooh.
So I do want to try to finish it tomorrow.
Breakfast
Alright.
and Legos.
Breakfast and Legos. Oh yeah. DoorDash and pancakes or something.
Oh wow. Oh god. Don't
All right.
don't burn it.
I'm gonna be heading out. Thank
Alright.
you. Thank you guys for playing and for the hosting the kitchen stuff and whatnot and all the fishing. Appreciate it.
Appreciate you and
You guys
thanks
are awesome,
for putting
y'all.
up with it.
Yeah, anytime. Y'all have a good night, okay?
Good night. Buenas noches.
Buenas noches. How do I hang up this thing? There we go.
Can't,
Leave
it's like I
collab.
can't
There you
leave
go.
fast enough.
All right, bye. Leave collab. There we go. And
There we go. Well, guys, please, we are co-streaming with Sir Miss-A-Lot. He is tagged up in the title, so please definitely check him out. He is Fortniter, Heartopian, Lego builder. He is all over the place, and he plays sometimes he plays some scary games too, so definitely check him out. He's super funny. He is a stormtrooper by night, man by day. Definitely check him out. He will stream with a stormtrooper helmet on, and he very rarely shows his face, so he's dark and mysterious, I guess. But after this little cooking session and selling everything, we're gonna get ready for bed too. Oh god, they both went off at the same time. How do they both go off at the same time when they're like completely across from each other?
Your luck?
Yeah. My luck for sure.
That's all I got. That's all I got for you.
Oh, I gotta turn something off. I have a feeling, and I'm just gonna turn it off real quick. And oof. This man is sneaky, so we gotta turn it off.
Oh, I was like, wait, what are you thinking? I'm like, oh, yeah, no, now I know. Never mind. I had to think about that for a second. I was like, what are you talking about?
I burnt everything.
Just to prevent.
Oh my god. Did I burn it? Oh, I didn't. Okay, I didn't burn it. Thank goodness. Oh, I was like, I burnt it all, didn't I?
All into safe face of not having to do something.
Mm-hmm. I feel like I was like, he's gonna be sneaky. He did it to me last time. Alright, where is this guy at? Oh, he is over here. I gotta go water everybody's stuff anyways over here. Where are you? I'm still trying to understand how us giving him items and him giving us gold helps him towards his rocket ship building. I'm still not understanding that concept.
Twitch, stop being twitchy.
Okay. Okay, sweet. Alright, gonna go water. The cute house. I love the pink and the blue combo. Adorable. It's so cute. What was this your house, Sparkles?
What?
This hair is cute too. Oh my god. And not allowing raids. I literally turned off raids so you specifically could not raid me. Because I knew. The spidey sense tingled and I was like, I'm gonna go turn off raids real quick.
Twitch is being weird.
What is it doing?
I'm trying to do something.
Turn off for a second so we can raid to you and then you can raid out. Seriously. Oh no, sir. Sir. No. You're gonna have to go struggle. I love your brain, Lon. Thank you. It does do fun things sometimes. Okay, let's see. I watered there. I gotta go water Sir's stuff. Oh, thank you.
Wait,
Appreciate you watering. Let's see. I'm gonna go make sure I water Forrest's house. I got Grammy's. is mine. Okay, so I need to go to Sir's house real quick. This is how we get treated. Oh my freaking goodness. Sir, by the time you raid me, I will literally be like raiding out. Like it'll literally be like a hi and then a bye. I'm gonna force you to find someone to get raid. You must suffer as I have suffered.
It's only fair.
I'm gonna go water your stuff real quick, sir.
Okay, I fixed what I needed to fix.
Sweet.
Oh, I did it. Oh, fuck.
I didn't water this top row. Just in case. And if anybody needs their level 35 books stamped, let me know. I will be stamping. Manager. I'm double checking on the watering. Oh, this is a cool egg setup. I like that. It's cool. Where are the flowers? There are no flowers. There's an outhouse with a chair next to it, but there are no flowers. That's wild. Oh yeah, the egg gotcha things don't work anymore, guys, so you can put them away. Okay, I'm gonna go water forests, flowers and stuff. And then I think I will have gotten everybody's on the servers. And the server, I think, is gonna stay open for another hour. So you guys are free to play on it. Do whatever you gotta do if you don't want to be bothered by randoms. Okay, let's see. These.
Snowflakes glisten on the paths we carve through memories and light.
Got it, got it.
Make the plaza glow so bright. Mickey's got a fresh batch bacon warming up the winter air. And then
I'll do some weeding over here.
dance around her chair. Every stall along the street, every window shining clear.
Okay, let's see. One extra watering just in case.
It's a cozy Christmas and
Some weeds. Looks good, looks good. Take care of our friends. I might have actually watered this. Yep, I think I did. Okay. And then let me check over here. And that's Miranda's house. Cool. Alright, got that one. Beautiful. Perfect. Aww. Kitty. Cute outfit. Okay. Alright, let's figure out what we are raiding into. Okay, let's see. Rated. Okay. Hey, we got some Disney Dreamlight Valley that we're gonna raid into. So we're gonna go ahead and do that one. Alright, I'm gonna lead the Discord. Sparkles, you're not streaming, are you?
No, I'm not streaming.
Okay. I still gonna give a shout out.
Yeah, I ended and then I hopped over here.
So guys, just in case you weren't knowing, the alluring voice on the other side of this Discord chat is, hey, it's Sparkles. I'm gonna give a shout out. She is not streaming right now, but that does not mean you can't follow. There we go.
Hey! Thank you.
We'll definitely have to plan a co-stream together. My house swallowed.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
We should do like dream snaps together.
That would be fun. Oh yeah. That would be pretty
talk
cool.
about it.
Yeah. Okay. All right, guys. We're gonna go ahead and get ready for the raid. I'm trapped on the floor. Go to your settings in your watch, and then there'll be a reset position button, and then you will be able to reset yourself that way. I just realized I'm still in a. Oh no, I'm not. Okay, good. In collaboration.
All right, bye. I'm getting off the Discord call.
Bye, bye,
So you
bye.
can get off. Bye.
Bye. I'm just a yapper, guys. I'm just a yapper. But guys, we're gonna head on out. I'm gonna get ready for this raid. We're gonna start this raid and head over to our amazing friend Buzzed Lightyear. They are playing Disney Dreamlight Valley. Go ahead and do a full cam real quick. Wonderful stash here. But we're gonna get ready to raid. As always, guys, thank you so much for being here. Thank you for tabbing, chatting, subbing, modding, everything. Thank you so much for being here. I really, really appreciate you. Thank you for being amazing people that you are, coming to hang with us. If you're watching and you are lurking and you want to give a follow, you can follow in the shadows if you so desire. And I hope you enjoyed yourself. But button, what button? It's gonna be in the watch thing. There in your watch. Scroll down to settings, and there's gonna be a reset position underneath your settings. But guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to raid out. Thank you so much for being here. Hopping in from the Bunny Burrow is our raid out message, and there are my handles. There's gonna be Twitter and YouTube. YouTube is where I'm gonna post a lot of like my big Disney Dreamlight Valley walkthroughs, and then Twitter is where I post a lot about Autopia and stuff like that. And we have an awesome Discord too if you want to check it out. But guys, I'm gonna head on out. Thank you so much for being here. I'm leaving. Bye.
Lon La Pin. Lon La Pin.
Will do, kitty.